to another week. It's earnings week. I hope everybody's excited. The market's freaking out. We're going to be doing our thing today. Trying to steal more money from market makers as we usually do. So, how's everybody's weekend? Did everybody have a good time? Woo! Here we go. All right, so AMC in the pre-market right here, down about 0.5%. The SPY's down 1.2%. GME's down about 0.66%, 0.2% over here. It's going to be a wild week. We got earnings tomorrow. It's going to be a wild time. How you guys doing? Finally something to watch on YouTube. Yeah, definitely getting ankles this week would be pretty sweet. A close above 20, that's what we need. And then it's 30, then that's when we get ankles again. So as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys engage with the content, hit that like button on the stream, get some more people in here. Helps out a whole lot with the YouTube algorithm stuff. Let's do a little quick AMC Ortex before everything really starts to get going. So we got 6,100 shares borrowed, average cost to borrow on those specific shares, 2.32%. We got 100% utilization. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense. We're probably going to see this cost to borrow come down throughout the day as more shares go out on loan. 20.3, I think I said that already. 20.32% estimated short interest. And then we got 104.08 million estimated shares sold short, but 118 million shares on loan. So there's about 14 million shares, according to Ortex, that are out on loan that they could potentially try and use against us today. So that is something to look out for too. We got earnings coming up. We could go over a couple of the things that I think are pretty interesting about earnings that I want to look for. But again, really what you have to look out for is what the mainstream media is going to do with earnings, like with the report. They're going to try and mess with it. Hold on, let me just get this link to TMI so we don't have to do that later. All right, so what we're essentially going to be looking for is, well, we already have the revenue estimate, the positive EBITDA estimates. We have all of that, but a lot of people are going to be like, well, AMC's revenue isn't back to where it was in 2019, and they're trading at a higher price than we were at in 2019, even with more shares out there. So it's like, they might be overvalued. I wouldn't be so sure about that. So when you compare it to 2016, let me see if I can go through this little thought process in my head. There were less shares. It was at a lower price. Or it was at a higher price. Less shares, higher price. So in terms of market cap, you could say we're at a decently similar spot. Maybe still a little bit more market cap right now. A little bit more. But revenue's doubled. But the main thing that I want everybody to look out for is debt pay down. So I want more details on the restructuring of the debt and how that's going to affect everything. That's really what I want to hear from Adam Aron in the earnings report tomorrow. Like, okay, these are all the other things that we're doing to boost revenue. But in terms of like having it be a risky investment in terms of debt, if they can kind of assuage the fears of investors coming in being like, yeah, there's a lot of debt, I don't know, we're golden. We are golden. So how you guys doing? Starlink stock, there isn't one. I mean, Tesla. Like number 90. What's up, people? How you guys doing? Hopefully everybody's having a good morning. I mean, I do have Lockheed up here again, so just kind of looking and see what this is going to do. I honestly have no idea which direction the market's going to pick today. I don't even have a guess, really. It's just flickering around so much. Oh, wait, hold on. I got to extend the box. Little extendo on the box, the lower one. Oh, wait, no, it's this one right here. Let's see. All righty, folks. What do we got going on here? Little box extendo. Right there. Right there. Cool. Lock. Here we go. So SPY's down about 1.36%. Again, this could just rally at open, or it could just continue to sell off. When the market's going to be very whipsaw, I think. It's going to be very, very crazy. Let's see. Ho, what's up, Nepal? How you doing, buddy? Lucid earnings after hours calls. I might play Lucid. Maybe. We'll see. You think oil will skyrocket? It might. Georgia Picker. It might. So you can look at USO, Oxy, Exxon, Chevron, Boyle, all those other oil stocks that we've been looking at a lot. Again, though, typically what's been happening with some of the oil stocks is they'll move over the weekend. You'll come into the beginning of the next week, and then they'll just sell off the entire week. That's kind of what I've seen. Any oil that I've held overnight recently or natural gas has not worked out, especially when it's like a weekly. I mean, they've been small, so it's fine. But they just haven't worked out as much as I would have liked them to. All righty. You think Tesla will jump with what Elon did with helping Ukraine? I don't think so. You could look though. Yeah, I mean it's down 0.32%, so it's down less than the overall market in terms of like where things are going to move. So the SPY's down pretty big. $6 and four. There it goes. $6.50 over here. So it's coming down a little bit. AMC's at 17.52, down about 0.8. And GME over here down 0.5%. What about CEI? Maybe. Yeah, USO. I think USO was having a little bit of a good morning over here. You could also look at GLD. Yeah, so USO's up 2.74. GLD over here. What do we got on this beast? Yeah, so gold's up a little bit. So you could get a little bit of gold action today. Gold, silver, other stuff like that. You saw gold, silver, oil commodities yesterday rising. Yeah. I mean, they are right now. They definitely are right now. Yeah, guys. Also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the YouTube stuff. It's gonna be a crazy week. It is earnings week too. So, I mean, tomorrow's gonna be wild. Tomorrow after hours, it's gonna be crazy. I heard that Russia has like 80% commodities going through Swiss and 20% assets. But it's also if they freeze. You're talking about Swift or like the Swiss banks? Join the Discord this weekend. Stoked. There we go, man. Yeah, if you guys want to join, get up on that 1348 strategy. It's really, really good. That's what we use here every day on the stream. Make sure you check out that link pinned in the top of the chat over here. You're going to get all of the alerts on like 350 stocks. We're loading up the 2,000 alerts on the daily time frame for all 2,000 stocks in the Russell. You get all the live streams, the private live streams. We're actually doing one today during market hours. So I'm going to, this stream's going to end a little bit early. And then for all the Discord premium members that are in here right now, we're going to be going over onto Gabe's channel and doing that private live stream for all you Discord members. Making some trades. Here we go, AMC. So let's see what we're going to get today. I mean, what's TLT doing right now? What are bonds looking like? TLT's up 1%. I don't know. That strangle could be gnarly. That strangle could hit pretty big. Oh, Swiss banks. Gotcha. Yeah, Lucid earnings today. That's going to be interesting. Did you hear Belarus is joining Russia? Rumor was Belarus paratroopers are being mobilized today. Yeah, I saw that. I mean, that's not great. I mean, the thing is that you kind of got to watch out for here is one, right now the market is like kind of more certain that like things are going like Russia's there, then they're messing around. Now it's like, okay, what is the market now uncertain about? Well, it's to the extent that Russia is going to cause issues is essentially what we're looking at here. So there's a certainty coming back into the market on, okay, Russia's there. They're messing around with stuff. They're screwing stuff up. But how far are they going to push this in terms of a war? So there's two results in this. First, like outcomes. The first is that they come in and completely screw everything up and you're like, oh God, that's terrible. And everything is going to not be good. And you get some things that the market wasn't pricing in and the market continues to sell off. Or Russia ends up getting what they want, the things that we may not be seeing in terms of like these foreign policy stuff. Like I have no idea what they actually want. I think it has to do with some oil pipeline to Germany, maybe. I don't know. They don't want Ukraine and NATO. There's some stuff like that. So they might just leave them in conflict so NATO can't. I don't really know, though. So that's the one outcome. Then the other one is like they get what they want. They leave, ceasefire, market rips. So you can get caught in positions, especially if you're holding things overnight that you're like, I wish I didn't do that. So I'm not holding anything overnight right now, unless it's like an earnings play, which maybe I'll play Lucid. We got to take a look at it. But yeah, let's see. Finally Monday. Yup. Woo! Russia could withstand sanction freezes. That's what I was thinking because they've already been through it. So I think they kind of understand how to deal with it. They need to be like permanent sanctions, I think, to really mess with them. Like permanent, like take the legs out from under them and just never give them back. Citi announced $5 billion in Russian exposure today. Oh, that's hefty. That is hefty. Oh boy. There's another rumor going around that water resources was one of the major factors as well. Ukraine built a dam which ended the water passage to Russia they used for agriculture. I think it's a lot of things, Sergio. I honestly think it's a lot of things that we're just not seeing. Like it's very possible that we are just not seeing what they're actually after. And that's how it's supposed to be. We never know what the governments are actually trying to do. We're not in those conversations. And then the previous conversations too about like, all right, what do they actually want? Why are they doing this? What is the strategy? Like they've been planning this for a while. Like this isn't just like Putin woke up and was just like, oh, let's go invade Ukraine today. No. He's been planning this for a long time. I think they did it back in 2014 too. But yeah, I mean, he wants something. Like, it's not like he's just doing this because he's like, oh, screw Ukraine. He wants something. Couldn't wait to tell you when I saw the value in the pre-market. I held 410, 420 weekly calls on LMT over the weekend. Loving the movement on it so far today. Woo, John. I'm actually looking at Lockheed again today. So this is kind of what I like on it. It's above the 200 EMA, but the 1348 just crossed down. So if it stays below and you keep this cross to the downside in the pre-market over here and it crosses up when the market opens, I might get some more. You also have Raytheon, RTX. The thing I like about Lockheed, it's kind of unrelated to like what's going on. One, people are going to pile into stocks like that. So if you want to try and like, if there's money to be made and the market's going to freak out today and there's that little safe haven in defense stocks, I mean, you got to do what you got to do. But the reason why I like Lockheed maybe better than Raytheon is because it can move so many dollars. It's big. The dollar movement is huge. So if you get contracts in the money, the dollar for dollar movement is a lot more. Like, because it could just randomly move $3 and you're like, all right, I just made $300 a contract. He wants to rebuild the USSR, leave a legacy. Yeah, he's probably not going to be around for that much longer. He also has Parkinson's, I think. Like, I'm pretty sure. That's why I call him Parkinson's Putin. I'm pretty sure he's got, like, Parkinson's. He needs a DeLorean, or he spent too much time in the DeLorean. The president of Ukraine was a literal comedian. Yeah, I mean, it looks like he's doing pretty good right now, though, in terms of, like, showing support for his country and like staying and fighting and like trying to get this, like from what I've seen, he looks like he's doing a pretty good job. IMPP. Yeah, I know you guys have been looking at that one a lot. Oh, it's up again, man. IMPP. Does this have a chain? No, no chain. No, thank you. No chain. No, thank you. No, yeah, I know. He used to be a comedian. Yeah, I remember that. Oh, Trey. Good morning, everyone. What's good, STV? Not much, man. Just kind of hanging out. All right. So Amy's down 0.5% over here. SPY flickering around. Biden offered him a way out and he stayed to fight. Respect for that. Yeah, exactly. Like he was like, I don't need a ride. I need ammo. That's gangster. He's just like, no. I don't want your Uber ride, Biden. Send me weapons. Which was all I like that. That was pretty cool. 111, Mr. Simon. What's up, man? When market's sober? Never, man. It's just gonna continue to be drunk. That's propaganda. What's propaganda? Did I see the DM? Not yet, buddy. What are you looking at? Oh, those are gonna look good, squirrel. Let's see. Just got back from a Jeep wheeling trip. What did I miss? Just more nonsense with the market. So let's see what happens here. I mean, it's selling off. How much time do we have? We got about 45 minutes until the market opens. What do we got here? LMT. What's Lockheed doing? Yeah, Lockheed's holding, but I mean, it's still below 13. It's still below everything. So, I mean, it could be good. Good morning, STV Vizzle. Interesting. All right. Never heard that one before. AMC down about 0.5%. GME down 0.5%. SPY down 1.6%. This is pretty crazy. Lucid, I think, was up in the pre-market over here. Let's see if it held. Yeah, I mean, Lucid's up 1.94% in the pre-market. Earnings after hours today, I believe, is what you guys were saying. I trust you. Let's see here. Yeah, also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the YouTube stuff. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. Really means a lot. Thank you guys. Look at IRNT just crossed below the 200 EMA. Yeah, we played IRNT on Friday. Yeah. Ooh, this is not ideal. This one's selling off pretty big. AMC looking like they will push it down today so far. I mean, the market's selling off. Like, okay. Are you still short on SPY? I was never continuously short on SPY. I was buying puts on it and flipping the premium on it. I think it's going to flicker around. I'm not holding anything overnight. You bought IRNT puts on Friday, says wanted felons. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's not bad. I mean, it's down, what is it, 7% in the pre-market over here? I don't know. I might buy SPY puts today if everything starts to sell off again. Who knows? It just depends on what it's going to go. SPY puts. Maybe. Any Ortex updates on AMC? I could give you another one. Nothing too crazy is going on. They have 6,100 shares borrowed. Again, that's one loan. So 2.32 minimum, average, and max is what the cost to borrow is at right now. So that's probably going to come down as more shares go out. 20.32% estimated short interest, 104.08 million shares estimated to be sold short, and then shares on loan, 118.4 million. So they got about 14 million shares that they could potentially use against us if they saw fit. I know I see what's up with Mullen. Mullen. Oh, whoa there. Whoa, Nelly. This thing is coming up big, man. Woo, baby. Mullen is ripping. Had to search for you this morning. YouTube recommended I watch a video on sea turtles. YouTube's being suspicious. As usual, YouTube likes to be very, very suspicious in the morning with us, but that's okay. We kind of do our own thing over here. Let's see, folks. SPY rug pull incoming, fake out breakdown. It depends on what the news cycle wants to say today. That's really what it is. It just depends on what the level of certainty or uncertainty is. It's all about market expectations. Do they expect what happening is what is happening? Hold on, I might be having a stroke here. Is what is happening what they expect, or is it not? That's what it really is. If it's unexpected things that start to happen, SPY is going to sell off. If it's unexpected good things, it's going to go up. But usually right now, we're probably going to see unexpected bad things. So if we see unexpected good things, then the market's going to rip. YouTube doing some dodgy stuff. 1348. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out with the algorithm. Let's see. I bought SPY puts Friday just before close because it looked like it would dip, but I didn't expect this. Daniel, you're going to be sitting pretty this morning, buddy. I mean, my TLT strangle could get a random premium bump. If I could steal contracts from people, I might get out of the call side and then reestablish at a lower price to make the call side free. I don't know. Let's see. TLT could just go on a moon mission today. I mean, it's up 1.08%. I might just leave it, but again, you see these things happening. You see bonds start to freak out in the morning. You see the SPY sell off. And then all of a sudden, we could just melt up through the entire day. Again, we're going to be seeing a little bit of resistance at that 4. Did I move this? I thought it was 430. Yeah, 434.50 about is where that level is. Let me see. Didn't we test the... Oh, this is a new box, I think. Interesting. So we got to take a look at where this box is and kind of see what we're looking at here. Mullen is going off. Careful though. I wouldn't chase stuff like that. Just be very, very careful with what you're going to be doing. What 1348 you looking at today? Haven't been watching. Honestly, I might go after Lockheed again. I don't know. It just depends. If it's going to cross, I just like it because it's hot. Like these higher priced stocks, they can move more dollars. And if you start to see a flow of money back into stocks, if that's going to be the safe haven today, then that's where I'm going to go. It just depends on where the money's going to flow. Like if money's going to flow into oil stocks, I'll be in oil stocks. If money's going to flow into like gold, silver, and stuff like that, I'll be over there. If money's going to be like, all right, we're just going to sell off the SPY today and maybe or buy it up, then I'll play the SPY. But it's just going to be where the money is, especially for these quick in and out flips. It's like, all right, I'm not going to be messing around with like, I'm going to play the stocks that no. I'm just going to be looking at where's the money going today. Right now, the money's going to defense stocks at market selling off, and so are these. But you got to, I mean, the money could just come back. And remember, there is so much money on the sidelines right now that are just going to start buying stuff because they can't be holding that much cash at any given time. Like they're going to have to buy something. Let's see. Earnings may be weak for AMC. Go look at the earnings estimate. It's already really, not the estimate, but like the AMC earnings preview, it's already really good. The ranges that they're projecting are really, really good. What's the ticker for Lockheed? It's LMT. I mean, it's a war stock. Like I would never buy Lockheed long. Like I just don't like it. But if there's an opportunity to trade it and suck money out of the market and steal money from these market makers, I'm going to do it. Let's see. Did TMI hit 10K yesterday? I don't know. I think I donated $100 when it was at 5.1 or 5.2. I think he got up to 7 or 8. Yeah, I didn't see it past that though. All right. Amy now down about 1.3%. Decent red candle. SPY trying to move back up here. Hold your horses. Trey's mustache, maybe. I'm just kind of looking and seeing where the money's going to go today. Like, just where's it going to go? Is it going to go into semis? Is it going to start to bid up EVs because Lucid has earnings? Like, honestly, like, what's NEO doing in the pre-market right now? Lucid has earnings. NEO's cheap. Lucid's up a little bit. NEO's up a little bit. And then Tesla, all the chargers, maybe like we could see a movement off that if Lucid starts to go. I mean, charge points down. If we start to see a little bit of a big red green move on a lot of these stocks, it could be fun. But Lucid right now is the EV winner, just because it has earnings today. I mean, big candle here on GME. Spy's trying to move back up. I mean, these types of stocks, these more growth, are starting to get hit right now. But Spy is trying to make its move back up here. Gotcha. That's probably what I'll have to do too. Yeah, I'm just waiting to see where the money goes. Happy Monday to all. Let's crush the 1348 and the like button. Appreciate that, man. So, yeah, I mean, 1348 with the way the market is right now, it's probably going to be solid today. Just depending on where things start to go when the market opens. I mean, I do like this right here. So it's crossing down in the pre-market, still above the 200 EMA. It starts to run. I mean, that could be a decent one. And then make some contracts free, hold them for the rest of the week. Maybe. No sound? You should have sound. Germany just announced they will be beefing up their military and spending billions of dollars. Interesting. What clown? Good morning from New Hampshire. Let's get that money. Oh, yeah. I went to the end of his video last night. He did 15K. Whoa, that is awesome. Good job, guys. You guys crushed it on the fundraiser yesterday. Zomedica earnings came back decent. Interesting. That's a little bit surprising to me. Zomedica up 13% in the pre-market. I mean, it's penny stocks, very risky. So careful with it. The one thing I don't like with that is like the True Forma. When I was looking at it a lot, it was like they only need like this really big vet hospital facility only needed one of their product, and it's not that expensive. So I was like, if they only need one, what's the total addressable market for this? Okay. Late, but made it. Let's get to printing. Yep, that is the goal for today. Print all day long, stealing money from market makers, watching AMC. Hopefully, boom boom candles fire off ahead of earnings. But if not, nothing changes. What up, homie? Big Stout. What's up, man? How you doing? That was a great stream yesterday. Yeah. What do you call it? Hopefully, yeah. So TMI had that the fundraising stream, and then we also had the private Discord stream last night too. That was fun. That was a good one. Trueform is it's a subscription service for the product, for the things that go in it. I think that's what I remember it being. Like you buy the thing and then it's a subscription service for the actual things that go in the how to operate the machine. That's how I remember it being. Do you think it's too late to DRS shares of AMC or GME given the delay to actually see them registered? Not sure if I have this right. I mean, you can do it if you want to. For me, DRS is not what I'm looking to do. It's just, I mean, not for me. So you can do it if you want to. Is it too late? No, you can do whatever you want. It's like the same question of like, is it too late to transfer? Like, are you going to be mid-trend? It's like, nobody really knows. That's kind of the same question is like, is it going to squeeze this week? I'm like, I don't know. Let's see. Opinion on Mullen. My opinion on Mullen is don't chase it. Be careful. Ready to make some money? What's up, Big Stout? Let's do it. All right. Spy's coming back to life over here. So let's see what happens. We getting any news? Any news coming out? I don't see my news feed's not really populating with anything yet, but Spy's coming up and Lockheed's coming down. So that could mean something was announced that's good for the situation over in Russia and Ukraine. Like you could see like some good news coming out over there, but let's see. Do you think Russia will hold AMC down even with good news tomorrow? It's possible. Or it just disjoints from the entire market and goes crazy. That's kind of what it's got the potential to do as well. All right. Spy is getting a little candle here. I'm looking for a 5-minute MACD cross. These types of things are coming down. What's Snap, DraftKings, Uber? I mean, these aren't really getting a move here. What's moving back up? What about like Home Depot? No. Little candle back. Facebook. Little candle. I mean, the Spy's moving up here. Not a whole lot of things are moving with it. Apple. What's going on with Apple right now? Is Apple starting to move up? Apple with a little candle wants this 1348 cross, but Spy's got two decent sized candles from like 430.89 to what's the high here? 430. That's like $2-3. Like that's a big move in the Spy in like 2 5-minute candles, and nothing's really moving with it. AMC generally gets held down regardless of how good the news is. When we were at higher prices, yeah. Now it doesn't make any sense for them to do it. It's like people are going to see it as a buying opportunity. LMT calls, maybe. It depends. That's the thing. It's like in the pre-market and everything with the market today, it depends. I'm just waiting to see where the money goes. Like, what's TLT doing now? What's UVXY doing? Like, TLT still coming up. So people are kind of flying into bonds right now. There's a little bit of fear going on in the market. So the flow of money that I was talking about before, it looks like people are flying into bonds right now in a decent way. Consumer defensive, tickers, avocado, a firm big candle, like number 283. Appreciate that, man. A firm big candle, which way? Up? Okay, hold on. PayPal had a day and a half on Friday, I think. So what's PayPal doing? PayPal nothing. So maybe we get in on a little. We were looking at a firm, I think, Friday, but I mean, Micron bounced up off the 200 EMA. Okay, so we'll watch chip makers too. We've traded a lot of Micron recently, and that was pretty good on Friday. Cut it at over 100%. That was a good one. Do a small play on CEI, $1 calls for this Friday. What's CEI doing? I mean, it's up 5%. I mean, that's a giant move. We would have to go up 33% in order for it to get. What the hell is this? Oh, point. That's big in the pre-market over here. Look at the explosion last night that happened by me. I'm not sure what that is. See, I mean, morning, wash your hands. I always wash my hands, guys. I always wash my hands. Yeah. Also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps recommend this out to some more people. I mean, we're going to be most likely trading the heck out of the market today. And then we have earnings tomorrow. So we got to pay close attention to kind of what big money is going to do ahead of AMC's earnings. Are people going to start buying in anticipation of earnings being really good? Or are they going to start selling off? Or are they just going to kind of wait and do nothing and wait till the numbers are actually released and then kind of see what they want to do with their positions? Morning on SB, bullish on SPY today. Looks like it's coming out, up out of the bull flag, ready to go. Like number 316. Hugh, I appreciate that. So I mean, it's trying. It's trying, but it's getting some resistance at the 13 EMA. So comes up, test, low. Test. Is it going to make a low or is it going to bust right through? Good morning, Shapiro. All right. All right. Wow. What do we got? What do we want? Lockheed, what are we doing? So I'm just going to look for a cross on this. If it crosses it open, I'll scale in a little bit and then hammer it if it starts to get going to the upside. You never watch that? I always watch it. VIX is up 18%. Yeah, well, the SPY's down 1.42%. Like, it's down significantly, so that makes sense. Shares of major U.S. defense contracts up between 4.4 and 6.2%. RTX NOC. Okay, is NOC Northrop? Yeah, what's this? Okay, so this doesn't look like it could cross GD. What's GD? General Dynamics. This one's up a little bit. RTX. How's Raytheon doing? I mean, there's no potential. Okay, so watch. Now Raytheon has a cross down. So Raytheon's got this cross down here. If it can, I mean, if it sells off a little bit more in the pre-market, I can look at it more closely. But Lockheed's the one that actually did cross down, and we crushed it on Friday, and it's also the one that can move more dollars. So if that's where the money's going to flow today in terms of protecting capital, just in terms of the broad market, we'll be right on that. Wheat. I mean, am I going to be trading wheat futures unless there's a wheat stock or text negative short interest? No. On what? AMC's not. AMC's not. What about GME over here? No. No, I mean, they have, I mean, it looks like they've returned a couple of shares. For some reason, the estimated short interest is down 13, or the actual short interest number fell a little bit to 17.69%. How much were they overestimating by on the 15th? Let me see. Yeah, they overestimated by a lot. 2% in terms of 19 to 2160, 2.61%. That's a big overestimate in terms of a percentage. So they did need this number to come down a little bit, but no shares have been borrowed against GME today right now. Nothing yet. BBIG, I'll take a look at that. Biggie, what's going on with you? Biggie's down about 3.79%. They need news. So the same thing where you're talking about like Prague needs the news. Cost of borrow finally moving in the right direction. Gary, not really. There's only been 6,100 shares borrowed. We've seen this happen many times where the first small block of shares is borrowed at a high percentage. It's like it's like doing volume. It's like a wholesale deal. It's like if you go to Costco and buy stuff in bulk, it's going to cost you a little bit less. If you take out shares in bulk, you're going to pay less of a cost to borrow, if that makes sense. But if you take out only 6,600 shares, they're gonna be like, all right, you have to pay us a little bit more than that. That's why when we see the bulk of shares go out, when there's a lot of big blocks going out, it lowers the average cost to borrow. Ukraine suppressed 30% of the world wheat supply. Oh man, that's a lot. That's a lot of the world's wheat supply. Lockheed selling here. Interesting. Maybe Lockheed puts it. Thoughts on Oxy this week? Depends on what happens with oil. Oxy moves weird. They had good earnings. CI's a bad call. The company did a rug pull on Thursday after it reached $1. Well, didn't they do an offering? Was it an offer or what'd they do? Did they do an offering or no? Company did not. No, they didn't do a rug pull. It just got shorted, I think. Right around 1. I think they shorted it down right around 1. Yeah, right? No, right here. Right as it hits 1, tank. I'm not going to touch CEI. Not for me. Lucid, how's this thing doing over here? It's all right. Not doing bad. Shout out to my coworkers riding in my truck, having to listen to the stream over the radio. I mean, hopefully they learned something, man. Hopefully they learned something. You bought Bullet Automotive on Friday. It's up 44%. I know, man. It's looking decent. Indo is moving. Short squeeze and play. I mean, don't hunt short squeeze. It's not going to happen all the time, but how's Indo? I mean, this is another energy one. So this one, IMPP are two decent ones. SPY's down 1.5%. AMC's down 1.25. GME right now is down 0.5% over here. KTOS. KTOS. What's KTOS? Oh, defense. Oh, this is probably going nutty. Yeah, does it have a chain? It does have a chain. Ooh, interesting. I don't know about if I play anything, it'd probably be Lockheed or Raytheon in terms of defense. Just depends on where the money's gonna go, though. Like, where's the money gonna flow? Ankles, dude. It'd be great to get ankles. Taxes and bonus just deposited. 650 more Amy shares on deck. Woo! Energy drink cheers. There you go. I got some Celsiuses finally. Saw them at the grocery store last night, and I was like, I'm down. I've been trying to get you into this since 16 bucks. KTOS? Well, I mean, it's at 19 now. I mean, I'm not going to buy shares of it, especially if it's defense based on Russia, because that's not going to last forever. SPY moving back up. Lockheed chilling out. I mean, what's SPY down? 1.4. It's just flickering ahead of the market open. So we've got about 28 minutes left until market open, people. And then it is going to get crazy in here. You have a lot writing on Berk A making bang today. All right. Berk A is $479,000. Is there an option chain on it? No. I don't know. Let's see. Good morning, SV and the rest of the gang. Yeah. Shout out to all the mods and the members. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys for all your support. And all the mods for helping out with the channel all the time. You guys are awesome. Let's see. USO. USO up. Russia stock market closed today. Did they just say, no, we're not trading? Because that's insane. Post-Ukraine conflict, wouldn't NATO beef up defense? No. NATO is already... Think about what the United States has. Like, the United States defense budget is massive. Like, absolutely massive. So, you got to be a little bit careful with, like, what you're looking at with, like, defense and everything. Because it could, like... The thing with Lockheed is it's just a... Lockheed is like one of the worst companies in the world. Like, they just are. They will literally, like, I was watching a couple of videos on this. What they do is they will, like, not snipe, this is a bad way to put it, but they will take people, they will hire people from the government. So it happens and pay them a lot. So what happens is that everybody that's in the government right now working in defense knows that if they leave, they can go to Lockheed. But if they don't give Lockheed the defense contracts that they want and enough money, then they won't get hired. So there's this weird feedback of like, all right, we just got to give Lockheed what we want so that after I'm done with the United States government, I can go cash out at Lockheed Martin. Like, that's not right. That's not ethical. But again, at the same time, like, if money's going to flow into that stock today and there's going to be big moves or stocks like that, I mean, we'll be right there. Germany's going to be buying a lot of American-made weapons. We need to let Japan arm up too. Kind of like funds in the SEC. Yep, that's how the US government rolls. Yeah, man. I mean, they're always gonna. This is the thing. People really like to get political all the time. And I get it. Like, I get it. Like, some people are gonna say things that you just don't agree with, but at the end of the day, they don't fucking care about you. They care about their bank account. At the end of the day, they are gonna be there to make money and stay elected. That's all it is. So they're all bad. You can have less bad ones and more bad ones, but like, at the end of the day, there's always some bare baseline minimum level of badness in there because they're all going to be focused on themselves. And here's the thing, why wouldn't you be? If you had the opportunity and you were in that situation too, I could almost guarantee that you guys would do the same thing. I would do it. If you were like the insider trading thing, if you were like, oh, you can trade on insider information. If you get caught, you only have to pay $200. I'd be the best insider trader of all time. Just put it out there. It's just the way the systems work. It's the way the rules are set up. It's terrible. It's using the rules to your advantage. I mean, I would do it all the time if I was in that position. The rules shouldn't be set up like that, but because they are, it allows them to do it. So it honestly, we fault them for doing it, but at this, like, yes, they should not be doing that, and it's unethical and wrong. But if that opportunity is there, I mean, why wouldn't you do it? Would that justify an argument for paying politicians a lot more money? Sort of. It would justify paying them more money, a little bit more money, and then so it's two arguments. It's either justifying paying them more money and then restricting them from doing anything, or they have to take no salary. Zero. They cannot have any salary. So then they're always going to be in there for potentially the right reasons and also restrict them. The problem is that you're going to get a lot of people who are already wealthy. And then you're also going to get a lot of people that are going to just make those deals on the side that after they're out of office, then they can make the money. So it's a very, very hard way to win. Like, it's very hard to not make, like, to limit, not corruption, but like it may, you could call it corruption, I think. Integrity is making the right choices when no one is watching. True. That is very true. It's like making the rules to your advantage. Yeah, well, yeah, they did it to us last January. They changed the rules on us. All right, people. So we got about 23 minutes left until market open. Make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. Just helps out a whole lot with the YouTube stuff. Thank you guys for coming in and supporting this morning. We're going to be having some fun. Just kind of, yeah, cronyism. Yep. There's a huge Lockheed Martin site near me. It was built to look like a college campus. So if we ever get, really, that's weird. I told you that a year ago and you told me those things are not possible. What things are not possible, Corey? You told me what's not possible. I don't think I've said anything pretty crazy. And a year ago, I wasn't doing this. So this is you're making some weird statements here, buddy. What's your statement? One of the best rooms on YouTube. Thank you, that one, dude. I appreciate that, buddy. So SPY's trying to make a little bit of a move back up here. I could pull up oil today. I'm honestly not as interested in trading oil anymore and natural gas. It's just been a little bit of head fakey, rug pulley. They just haven't done what I want them to do. If the money really starts to flow back into them and you see WTI like really moving above 100, then I'll start to get into some of those stocks again. But if it's just going to flicker around in that range, not for me. XOM at open. Yeah, see, that's kind of what I'm talking about. It's like, maybe, maybe not. Like, let's see. Russia is shutting down their stock market so people can get their money according to, can't get their money. Yes. And bank runs. I think there's bank runs going on in Russia too. Worst oil baron ever. Yeah. I'm not very good at it. Let's see. The government, hedge funds, and SEC do what they want. No, obviously they do what they want. Obviously they do what they want. Are they restricted in some way? Yes. But they do know ways around the rules. But if the rules are set up in a way for them to be able to make money, then they're going to do it. LMT. Oh, Tyler. If you guys had like the net, I mean, you're crushing it. I mean, it's still up big in the pre-market, 3%. All right. Yeah, this still looks good. So we'll see what happens with this. Hit that like. Come on, guys. Armando, appreciate that, man. Shout out to all the members. You guys are awesome. Let's just read the technicals. Everything else is just narrative and fluff. Yeah. Thanks for giving us quick price updates. Yeah, anytime, guys. Thoughts on Lucid today earnings? Maybe. I mean, I might play it. Honestly, I might play Lucid Earnings. Mullen, number one on Reddit search keys board today with 105,000 members. Delivered over 600 miles range on full charge. Interesting. You had the 410 calls for this Friday, so it should print. Okay, so here's the thing. Your calls should be at a minimum worth about $1,100. And that should be the intrinsic value of that contract this morning. On Discord, can you add a TA room kind of like you do here? Talk about the SPY and how to read it? Sort of. So Ian, what we're doing is we're starting private Discord streams during the day. So we're going to be sending out that link. I'm not sure what the schedule is going to be, but I know we're doing one today. So if you guys are in the premium section of the Discord, make sure you guys get ready for that. And if you guys do want to join premium, make sure you guys check that out too. You get all the alerts and everything. So we're going to be doing those midday streams. So first it's going to be Gabe and TMI on together for about 15 minutes. And then when I go off this stream, then I'll hop into the private stream over there and we'll go over trades and stuff. Sup, buddy? Best stream ever. Next to meet Kevin's Isaiah. I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. All right. So, I mean, Lockheed's flickering around over here. SPY's trying to do its thing. You got that little 5-minute MACD cross. Let's see what happens with it. I am using a little bit of a new indicator now. Gabe was showing me it's the STC. It kind of looks like it's the Shaft trend cycle. Kind of looks like a little bit of a different MACD. So I'm going to be watching that a little bit and see how it works with the SPY today for maybe a little bit of a better entry. And I honestly might use it if the market moves big in the pre-market and you don't see a 1348 cross, but the market's still going to trend in one direction. That's probably what I'll use this new indicator for. So, I mean, I'm always learning, trying to put new stuff on the chart. I mean, I still like that 25 MA that I have on here. It's worked pretty good and using those little lines as support. So it's kind of like dynamic support and resistance. I buy what Kathy Wood sells. That's not a bad idea right now, man. Oh, what's up, Ryan? How you doing, buddy? Calls on Russian used car market, Lambos, dude. I mean, the thing is that I think we were talking about this on Friday, like Operation Odessa, where they were going over there and buying Blackhawks for like dirt cheap, and it's like, all right, I mean, if they do it with cars, that'd be wild. Let's see. Are you going to show us how to use the new indicator? It's just STC. It tells you like buy and sell signals. Like it's just green dot buy, red dot sell. That's really all it is. And it moves like this. So this is what it is right here. Like this is literally the indicator. It's right here. So it's like green dot buy, red dot sell. So on the SPY, it looked really good on Friday. I think yeah. So on Friday, when you look at it right here, on TradingView, there's no cross. I don't think there was a cross on Webull either on 1348. So you get this buy indicator right here when the price is right around 430. And then it runs all the way up here and it gives you that sell signal where 435. So that's a $5 move in the SPY in a daily time frame, which is really, really good. And then honestly, like you get a couple more here where you can mess around with it. I mean, this is not bad. I'm going to take a look at it throughout the day and just kind of see how it's going to move. But let's do a little bit of a quick Ortex update while we're here. GME. Let's see. We got no shares borrowed yet today. So same difference of what we were seeing before. 29,000 shares returned. AMC, what do we got over here, pals? What do we got? What do we got? Same thing. Oh, see, exactly. So that initial 60. So this is what I was saying. So I forget who was saying this, but when we were talking about cost to borrow on those initial 6,100 shares and how it was 2.32%, look, more shares went out on loan. So it was another 22,000 and they went out at 1.25. Now the average is 1.49, the exact same number that we've seen many, 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 many times. This is, I think a lot of this is nonsense that we're seeing here. So Amy little pop, SPY little pop here. Let's see what happens today, people. I stay away from anything Kathy Wood buys or sells. I mean, she's been kind of YOLOing on Robinhood recently, I think. I don't really look at what Kathy buys or sells anymore. Oh, Gary, was that you? Yeah. So we've seen this many times where like the numbers are all the same. Like every day, the cost to borrow numbers are pretty much the exact same. You'll see like the 2.3 range if there's a low amount of shares come out in the morning, and that's like the initial cost to borrow that you're seeing in the morning on the lower amount of shares. And then once you see more shares go out, it comes down to like 1.2 at the minimum, and then it averages out right around 1.5. Now, with 100% utilization consistently and persistently over time, that's impossible. It's literally impossible because here's why. If you are a bank, which is who's lending these shares, sometimes it's other like investing institutions, but if you're a bank lending these shares, and you know that there's a low supply of shares and you're not going to increase the rate on it, you're a complete moron. Like complete moron. You have an opportunity to make so much more money than you were previously, and you're just like, no, it makes no sense. Rudy, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Let's play some Green Day music for AMC. Woo, that would be fun, man. Let's see. Been using stochastic with Heiken-Ashi candles for trend. Works very well. There you go. I mean, you just kind of got to figure out what works for you and what you're personally comfortable with. Like, there are going to be some things that you guys use that I'm like, yeah, I'm not as comfortable with that. You're fun to listen to. You get so excited over a 5-cent pop. Can't wait to hear you when we must. It starts popping $10 every second. Dude, we've had days where it starts to run and it goes wild. We have some fun. Can you sell a contract anytime you want? You locked in until a specific date? American options, you can sell them at any time. European options, you can only get out on that specific expiration date. So if you're trading American style options, yes, you're perfectly fine. I'm buying AMC. They're screwing with the numbers because the squeeze ain't over. Zach Harris. Yep. All right, people. Yeah, make sure as you guys are filtering into hitting that like button on the stream helps out a whole lot. Spy's coming up here a little bit. Lockheed coming down. This could be interesting. We could play some Lockheed puts today, honestly. And if SPY calls, I mean, if we start to get up into this range over here and start to break out above 430, 450, I mean, bing bong. Let's see. Why would I be a moron? Because I'm making a lot of money. I miss it. Can you please repeat that? No. You would be a moron because you're choosing not to make money. But no. And it's not you being a moron. It's the banks being a moron. Because what they're doing is you're saying, hey, I have a scarce good. It's like, let's say it's okay, this is a really good example of why the banks would be a moron right now. Let's say that every single, like, we've never been wrong on anything on AMC. We own the float. Let's just say that we own like 10 times the float and we own the supply and we're not selling. Then the shorts have to cover. This is an example of like scarcity and supply and demand on how the banks would be stupid with the cost to borrow. Let's say that we end up getting up to a price. Let's just say for just the purposes of this example, just to make it really, really drastic, 100,000. That's just for the purposes of this example. Let's just say the price is now sitting at 100,000. You then see that there's a lot of scarcity, but you then go and decide to sell a couple of your shares at $100. Like, why the hell would you do that when you can charge 100,000? So you see what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't make any sense. Like, the institutions are in it for making money, and it wouldn't make any sense for them to not charge more for the cost to borrow because of that imbalance of supply and demand. How do you mark that SPY range? It's just supply and demand zones. So I just look in the past. So like look on the 4 hour right here. This is kind of, oops, that's AMC. Whoops. So when I go over here and you look at the 4 hour chart, you just look at where choppy, you basically what you're looking for is V's. You're looking for V's in price action. So right here, here's a V. Right here, here's 2 V's. And these are levels that institutions are essentially battling out and who's going to win. So you can see literally right here, you draw this one at the start, it tops here, then it tops exactly again a couple of times over here and comes back down, support over here, then it breaks down. Then you have this one right here. Then you have this one right here and this level right here where it comes down, it starts to get into this level, jumps right back up, you have another V. But it's also this V level right here is from way the hell back here. Like way the hell back here with these V's. So that's essentially what you're looking for. It's like support and resistance ranges is essentially what it is. Price is going to 100K. SC just confirmed it. All right, chill out. Luke, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Oh, we got the mask gang coming in. Bull or bear today? Depends. I'm more on the bearish side, but really it depends. Is the new indicator on Webull? No. You heard it here first. Stop it. Does 1348 work well on the Webull app? Yeah, I mean, it will work well on the app. You just got to set up your indicators so that you can see them well. Let's see. Chill out. Masquerade. What's up, people? So we have 12 minutes until market open. Hopefully everybody's having some fun. What are we watching? I'm watching Lockheed, Lucid, Chipmakers, SPY. You got a squirrel family. Welcome to the squirrel gang. Yeah. So if you guys are members of the channel, eventually you will get up to squirrel status. There we go. Oh, we got TMI in his penthouse. What's up, buddy?
What's popping?
Not much, man. I mean, hopefully the market today.
The market's looking kind of shitty. I'm not going to play.
Yeah.
The market is not looking the best right now.
Yeah, I've got Lockheed up. I think it could do something again. I mean, it looks good on a cross, maybe, but I'm just looking to see where money goes today. Is big money going to flow into defense? Is it going to flow into EV ahead of earnings for Lucid? Is it going to flow into oil? Like, where's it going to go?
I'm with that. I want to see what's going to happen with the overall volatility of the market. Like, I don't know what the hell is going on in regards to these talks and these conversations and where things are kind of trending. I'm kind of getting a little bit of a mixed bag message from everything that I can find. So
I agree.
I think things might get slightly worse before they get better. And then if that's the case, then I'll definitely be playing the downside to a lot. The shorting might be
on like what the market expects. It's like what is the expectation here, and what are they certain or uncertain about, and then like what happens after that with the news cycle. Like what are they going to start releasing, and what's expected or not expected. Like we get unexpected good news. It's very possible, but I mean it's been more geared towards unexpected bad news.
Yeah, let's see here. Money is going into BTC. I think over the past and I might make a video on this. I think over the past like 30 days, there's been a lot of reasons why people should probably have themselves a freaking wallet. Just a little, just in case shit.
Yeah. Teladoc and Amazon to launch Teladoc on Alexa. Ripping pre-market. Big candles.
Yeah, absolutely stupid. Stupid candles.
Whew.
I'm not mad at it. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not invested in it, but I'm not mad at it. But Mullen.
Dude, Mullen's crazy.
Someone sent me a message. I'm not gonna say who they are. And we were talking about Mullen, and they're like, "Are you going into Mullen?" I'm like, "Yeah, I got into Mullen like a couple of weeks back." They went into Mullen a little heavy, and right now they are up a.
I may know who this is.
Oh no! This is not this person. Oh, that person was on to Mullen a long time ago, and they probably are also
that person was on to Mullen forever.
Yeah, for the longest time, and they probably been on to Mullen for. They're probably up very happy right now, but I'm of the mindset that Mullen has ripped a lot this morning and will also come back down very quickly if people aren't careful.
I think so too.
Keep an eye out, people. Make some money, take some money. That's it.
ADA or ADA AI. I forget what the first part is again. Gap fill of the 407 on Lockheed. It might, man. It might. I mean, well, if the SPY's going to come up like this in the like defense stock fear is just going to go away, then it's going to come right back down. I'd play it on the flip side too.
I can't believe we're on the brink of nuclear war because of a crackhead Hunter.
Oh.
This guy came out swinging this morning. All right,
dude,
cool.
The comments have been great. What's like chip makers doing today? I don't know, dude. You want to play Lucid today for earnings?
I might.
I'm down.
Actually, I'm down. I think
I'm just gonna $100 both ways and just run it.
I would play to the upside. This is one of those ones where I just play to the upside.
TMI.
Nope. This is one I'd YOLO it. I'd YOLO it. I'd YOLO the upside so heavy.
Please play it both ways.
I YOLO the upside so heavy. Mind you, the only thing is, honestly, I take it back. If this was a normal market day or no market, and I saw it drop down to these levels with EV ripping and things kind of slowly working its way back up, I would play it one way. Because of the variable of what's going on in the market and overseas, I would play both ways.
Yeah, I haven't even looked at the chain yet. It's probably going to be jacked, but I mean,
it's stupid.
That's one of the stocks that you look at and you're like it's like a snap. It's like you kind of got to play it just to put yourself in that position.
Yeah,
I swear, if anybody in the chat starts to play it one way, I'm going to yell at you though. I will yell at you.
So this is the thing. One way is not the way if you can't afford to lose it.
Exactly.
It's not the way. It's not for everyone. Albeit, it's a variable in the market right now that is tough to predict. Like there's some things out there that you just cannot add on a freaking chart. Like you just can't TA your way to are we going to go to war or not? Like it's just there's no support level for that. You know what I mean? Like it's just there's no fundamental value that's gonna be able to say, hey, look, if we have great outlook for next year and we kill earnings and the bombs start dropping out of the sky, like
then you're like, oh darn. But then that kills everything. Because if they rip and then it's really bad the next day and then it just comes down to flat, you're like, all right, it's a dub.
Hence the fact that I might just play one way. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, that's fair. What's the what would be the equivalent of the moon to the downside? Just going to hell? Like, is that what it would be?
I don't think there's any downside for the market like that.
Well, like a term.
Oh,
Like if something gets rug pulled. Like
you go to
what is
China.
that?
You go to China
Okay, that's fair.
because they're on the other side of the world, right?
Yeah, so like date. Okay, that's
So it's
fair.
like
I like that.
moon or China.
Moon or
That
China.
might come off the wrong way now that I think about it, but like they are directly the other side of us.
Yeah, so you just go down. Maybe we can think of another one. You talk about like, I mean, basement maybe, but
But well, you're in
the
the basement,
core
so
of the earth.
they're like, you're in the basement.
Ooh, big candles on Micron to the downside.
That's not bad. All right, buddy. Let me get out of here.
All right, you gonna
I'm gonna hop in the
Discord?
Discord. Yeah, buddy.
All right, we got those private streams today. Those will be fun.
Oh yeah, I'm back on. So I'm on early. You're on later. I'll catch you
Yeah.
guys in a bit.
All right,
Don't forget
later,
to
buddy.
smash that like, people. Deuces.
Peace. All righty, people. Oh, Dungeon. I do like Dungeon. Dungeon's good. Moon or Dungeon. That's not bad, actually. The Abyss, not bad. Also, guys, make sure as you're filtering in, hit that like button on the stream. It's earnings week for Amy. It's trying to pop up a little bit here. Micron getting some Doom candles. GME barcoded in the pre-market over here. Switch the Bitcoin for a minute. It's making a move. BTC. Bitcoin USD. Oh, shit. Bitcoin, rip here. What about Mara and Riot? Hold your horses on this thing. All right, so Bitcoin's coming up here. Mara's coming up. Okay, hold on. Ryan, you're onto something, buddy. You are onto something here. So Riot and Mara could be winners today. So what's up with where's Riot right now? Is it low? Oh, Riot not coming up yet, though. Still needs that 1348 cross. So here's what I'm going to be looking at in the pre-market today. Riot, Mara, maybe a little bit, or not the pre-market, when the market opens. Riot, Mara, a little bit of Lockheed, and then like defense stocks, and then EVs. Lucid, maybe chip makers. Taking profits on Mullen today. There you go, Craig. Congratulations if you're making a big gain, buddy. There comes the Riot candle. All right, so maybe at open, I start to get a couple of those. Yeah, Riot's coming back over here. So if this gets a 1348 cross, I mean, Mara, I think, is already doing it. But if Bitcoin starts, yeah, Mara looks good. So Bitcoin, where's it at now? I mean, it's just flagging right here. This thing could get nutty. I mean, it could also just sell right back off. So you got to be careful with it. But watch Riot and Mara today. Keep an eye on those things. Uner STV's ankles, but we'll go both. Don't forget the Spy. I will never forget the Spy. Spy is always going to be a fun one. I'll be definitely watching the Spy. All righty. I have a secret to tell you, STV. I'm feeling bullish. Sam, there we go. Russia continues to send gas to Europe and increase supply since invasion. Much of Russia still paying transit fees. Okay. Only straddle because strangle is a class 4 felony. All right. Let's see here. All right. Let's see. Yeah. Also, if you guys want to get up on the strategy that we're using, that basically everybody's printing with, we had that crazy Friday, 700% on Lockheed. We had a couple of other 200%ers with 1348. Make sure you check out the link to the Discord in the top of the chat. Again, learn the strategy. If you want to join premium, get all the alerts and access to all the private live streams, make sure you guys do that. But the private live streams during the day will be starting today. So if you do want to see those, you're going to need premium access. Let's see here. Hold on, getting some Twitter notifications over here. Swiss defense minister says we have concluded the use of Russian nuclear weapons relatively unlikely. Population should not be afraid. Spy might move off that. Let's see what happens with Riot and everything. All right. Alrighty. Oh, Toad photo. I think you're stupid. Put user in timeout. You have no evidence of that. That is stupid. DraftKings, what's up? Oh, see, okay. I do really like Riot and Mara right now. So those could be the things that we start to go for today. Let's see. Where's Bitcoin? Here comes Bitcoin breaking out. All right. Riot and Mara. Where's Mara right now? Mara getting a little jumpy here. So watch what it does at open. It could get a little spicy. I might try to get it quick. Really, really small on Riot or Mara. Are those private streams the same thing as to watch a peep show? No. Feels like news outlets scare the market to manipulate stocks. Lex, are you new here? I'm just kidding. I know they definitely do. All right. Mara's coming up. Riot might be the move, though. A little bit of a red-green move over here. Still down in the dumps over here. About to get that 1348 cross. Let's see if it gets a closing candle above this 200 EMA, which it looks like it's going to. We got less than a minute to go. AMC down about 1.42%. Ho, 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 ho. Let's see. You building your own case on what, Philip? You strangled the Spy harder than... Okay. Okay. Okay, Dan. All right, people, less than a minute to go. I'm going to pull up Riot and Mara, just kind of look and see what they're giving us over here. Just kind of going to get a little look-see at what we got going on these stocks. So, oh, Amy, a little bit up here. Here we go. Margin is calling. Ankles on private live stream. Nah, you guys get the ankles. You guys get ankles. All right, folks, let's see. I need Riot up here. I just want to see where the premium goes. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. AMC's getting giant candles right now. Holy shit, people. What the hell was that? Right at open, Amy just went from like kind of deep red to like big green. Holy shit. Did you guys see that? What the hell was that? All right, Riot's coming up here. I'm going to get a little bit of Riot on this beast, I think. All right. Holy shit. Oh my God. That was insane. GME did it too. Holy shit, people. What the hell was that? What the hell was this? All right, SPY's coming up here. Some big buys coming in. All right, I started scaling into the Riot a little bit. I'll see if I want to get Mara a little bit later. I did get the Riot calls just on that little Bitcoin breakout. Little 1348 cross above the 200 EMA over here. This could be good. That's the first trade of the day. Just going to kind of leave this here, see how it goes. And Riot, again, is super, super volatile, so you got to be careful with it sometimes. So let's see. Wow, what the hell was that on AMC? That was crazy. That was insanity. What the hell was this? I mean, there's no volume on this. All right, it's coming back down. SPY's flickering doing its thing over here, but that was crazy. AMC was only 24K volume candle. Yeah, that was so strange. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. I guess we're going to be in for a weird day today, especially coming out with all of this. All right, Bitcoin's coming up here. Looks like new highs on Bitcoin. So hopefully these riots start to come back to life over here. I mean, not back to life, but come to life. Riot. Hey. Yeah, Riot's coming up. I like this. So SPY's moving up here a little bit. AMC 1785 right now, up 1% ahead of earnings, people. That was crazy. Moes was triggered, then Algo was like, nope, halted. Don't think so. No, it wasn't halted. I'm gonna go replay that. Start on AMC. Dude, that was insanity. All right, Riot's coming up. I like this. So how much are these contracts up right now? 12%. Ooh, TLT's moving. TLT's moving a little bit. Yeah. All right. So SPY trying to move. What the hell is going on? Let's get 18 people. Here we go. Let's get excited. Cinemark tanked at opening bell. All right. They're coming back for us. Here we go. So let's see where Riot's at over here. Flickering. Just flickering. They purged the valve. That was insane. Told you margin calls today. I mean, Mullen jump also. Nice. All right. SPY flickering here. Let's see what we get with Riot. GME 120.10 up 1.28%. AMC up 1.7. It broke 18. This is insanity over here. Everything moving. AMC 15 30-minute chart looks good. Yeah. All right. Riot's coming back up here. This looks good. What are these contracts up right now? 15%. I mean, okay, that's fair. I entered into a decent trade on this. Let's see what happens with these Riots. Uber cross. Oh boy, here we go. So what was I looking for? Lockheed was another one. Did this get a cross? Nope, not yet. Amy coming back to life over here. Let's see if we can get back above 18. Come on, people. Let's make some money. AMC is dead. Your brain cells are dead is really what that is. That's kind of what's going on there. Oh, Riot. Lucid running. Yeah, Riot's running here. Mara. I mean, whoa. Wait, that's Mare. That scared me a little bit. That scared me. Yeah, Mara's pumping. AMC's pumping right now. Oh, baby. Look at this start to the week here, people. Here we go. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream, too. We are going to be on for a while. Oh, baby. Woo, Amy. Here. Whoa, it is pumping right now. 1825. Remember that guy that was saying I was really excited about 5-cent moves? Let's do some dollar. Mara's looking good, man. Riot, how are we looking over here? Oh, baby. There we go. GME, come on. It's your time to shine over here. Let's see what happens. What's the volume on Amy today? 1.85 million. CEI, is it going? CEI is ripping too. Let's see. What are the Riots up? 21%. Ryan Sinclair. Thanks for that Bitcoin call out, buddy. This is looking good right here. So let's see what happens on this next candle that we get. Whoo, baby. 18-12 on Amy over here, folks. Oh, it looks good. Oh, Riot is just going nuclear. Hedge funds wrecked by oil plays, margin calls. Well, also Lockheed ripping. Okay, hold on. That's one I do want. Not a cross yet. I'm waiting for the 1348 cross. What's my average price on AMC right now? Let me look. Let's see here. Edward, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Hello, this is County Ankle Inspector confirming your appointment for March 2nd at 11:15 a.m. Dude, if we get ankles, that'd be pretty sweet, man. We could end up getting ankles today. All right, 25% on the Riots. My average cost on AMC is $26.14. So I'm down. All right, Lockheed's coming up here a little bit. SPY's getting a little bit of a jump here. What does STC say on SPY? All right, it's already done the signal in the pre-market, not touching it yet. Ortex on Amy. I mean, we could look at it, but it's going to be basically the same that we saw this morning. I think 28,000 borrowed shares. Well, 471,000 borrowed shares now. Average cost borrow 1.07%. Bunch of nonsense going on. What's up with Riot, Mara? Selling off a little bit here. Average down. I'll get there. Don't worry about me. 15% up on these Riots. SPY looking all right over here. I don't know. I might take this quick, make it free, and then looking great today. Yeah. Ho, M. Creeks. There you go on Mullen. All right, let's see what happens. Wow, SPY's coming up here a little bit. About to get a 1348 cross too. If SPY gets a 1348, that'd be pretty sweet. Riot's looking good. I like these. These are up 21% right now. Not bad. Nonsense and head fakes. Bitcoin was running in the pre-market. That's why I got these Riots quick, because Bitcoin was just like, I'm gonna go on a moon mission right now, and I hate how it's purple and green. That's weird to me. SPY is ripping up here. So honestly, what's the SPY? What do we like on SPY? That's expensive. SPY's ripping though, so I'm gonna get a little baby SPY trade. Little baby one. Actually, I can't get a little baby one. I have to spend a little bit of money. Let's see if they fill me at this. All right, they filled me. So let's see what happens. Bitcoin moving back up. Riot, how's this doing? All right, I have to do it over here. Riot, little red. All right, let's see, SPY. What are we going to get on this? What are we going to do here, S&P? Oxy? Hold on, is Oxy running? Oxy's getting up there a little bit. SPY's looking good here. Watch it at this top level of this range here. That's kind of what I'm playing it and watching it for. So I did get some SPY calls here. Oxy's looking good here. 1348 cross. The Riots are up 17%. The SPYs are up 5%. So SPY getting that cross right around now. Let's see what happens on this next candle. That's going to be coming out. AMC 1797 right here. Oxy's coming up. Woo! Here we go. Hey, SPY, don't be an a-hole to me like that. None of that nonsense. All right, let's see. AMC earnings tomorrow, LFG. Yeah. Oh, man. Oxy looks really good here. Huh. I mean, it's up 3%. Where's Riot? Yeah, Riot coming down. I think I might ditch these. All right, SPY moving back up here a little bit. SoFi running. Sophie's running. SPY looking good. The entire market going to rip. They're going to short us back into the basement as per usual. Maybe. I mean, SoFi's looking good here. Where's Lucid? Lucid was another one we were looking at. Guys, also, as you're... not really. As you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Amy's having a day right now. This is crazy. All right, SPY looks all right. Lucid's coming down. Riot, if this comes down anymore, yeah, these might have to go soon. All right, let's see what we got over here. Apple crossed. Yeah, SPY. I mean, let's see what these candles are going to look like on the SPY once they come back up, but SPY looks all right here. Got a $34 call on a bunch of shares for Mullen. There you go. All right. Riot's being a little shithead here, but it does do this. That's the thing. Where's Bitcoin? Bitcoin, little red candle over here, coming back down. SPY flickering. LMT running. Yeah. Lockheed is running a little here. No cross yet on Lockheed, but I'm gonna be hunting for it. Yeah, Lockheed's running up a little bit. Let's see. Let's see what we can get. SPY's moving back up here. Lockheed's doing good. What about Raytheon? Raytheon might be a little bit cheaper. Raytheon not move. Ooh, Amy, a little bit of a red over here. Let's see what we get on this thing. Let's see. All right. AMC 1348 on the 15-minute. No. I mean, across in the pre-market. SPY looking all right over here. Raytheon not moving. NOC, Northrop. Wait, did I miss something? No, I don't think so. All right. Northrop coming back up. SPY looking good here. All right, let's see what we get. USO. Moderna lawsuits. No, nothing yet. All right. SPY flickery here. Okay. SPY 1348 cross. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Oxy is ripping, which is weird. What's TLT doing? TLT coming up with this. Interesting. UVXY. What's this telling us? And here comes the SPY back down. Lockheed. Amy chilling. Nice 1348 on Oxy on the 5-minute. Let's see what we get here. Is it going to shark fin on us? Yeah, I mean, that is a nice little 1348. All right, let's see what we get here. Micron just bounced up off the 200 EMA and almost crossing 1348. SPY about a dip. All right. Oxy coming down. All right. Ditching the little SPY that I had. Let's see, where's Riot? Riot's probably getting beat up too. Yeah, the Riots are fine. Riots are perfectly fine right now. So let's see what happens with Riot if it wants to go on a little bit of a moon mission here. Riot down. All right, let's see. Why do you delete comments about Trey? Because it was fucking stupid. Like, they're like, oh, Trey sold his shares. It's like, all right, well, why are you saying that? All right, SPY moving back up a little bit here. Let's see what happens with Riot, Mara. AMC, 1795 right now. Looking good. NVIDIA falling off a cliff again. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. You're not a fan of Trey? No, I'm not a fan of people coming in here and saying Trey sold. Like, fuck off. That's what I have to say about that. All right, SPY flickering around a little bit here. Lowers Lockheed. Now when I go a little bigger on. And it looks like it's coming up. Wants this crossover here. SPY flickering a little bit. Let's see here. Yeah, guys. Also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Ooh, Lockheed's doing its thing over here. SPY flickery. All right. Let's see. Lockheed wants to get this crossover here. SPY's just kind of flickering around. Trey bought for another 100K. Yeah, exactly. Like, people need to shut up. Like, get out of here. All right, let's see. I got a Lockheed call just for funsies. All right, let's see what happens over here. Where's Riot? Kind of sucking. Riot options are volatile. Yeah, they are. Mine are basically flat right now. Basically flat. SPY moving on its way down here. All right, I'm going to ditch the Riot just because I don't really like it. Because I thought this was going to have a lot bigger move. So I'll just get out of it. I thought this Bitcoin move was just going to be like, oh, rip, Bitcoin goes. And then no. So I basically got out for flat on that thing. Let's see. Lockheed. Let's leave this up over here. Okay. So GME's coming down. Little shark fin here. AMC moving back down. Ooh, let's see what happens here, folks. Lucy getting ready on 1348 cross on the 3-minute. Interesting. I'm confused. How's it not 1348 on the 15-minute? Pre-market, yes. But does that mean it's not valid? Yeah, broke to Stoke. It's not valid because you can't trade it. Like, you can't buy options on it. There's literally nothing you can do. Not into background music. It's not that I'm not into background music. It's more of that I don't know how. That's really it. All right, AMC right now, 1784. We got SPY. I mean, just kind of bouncing off a couple of these zones here. Yeah, so like it's not actionable. You can't do anything with it. So SPY chilling here. It's bouncing a little. Let's see what happens with this. Anything else crossing? XLF cross banks. I mean, where's like Exxon and stuff like that? Nah, XLF. I mean, everything's kind of moving similarly right now. AMC got a really weird move in the market open here, 1780. That was kind of wild. All right, let's see. Let's see. Mr. J, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Happy Monday, bud. Say hi to Jolene. I don't know who Jolene is, but hi, Jolene. All right, SPY moving up here. Let's see what happens with Lockheed. Amy coming down through the 13 here. SPY's moving back down. Crowd ripping. That's not what I wanted. Yeah, CrowdStrike holding up good here. Let's see. SPY's trying to move down a little bit. BBBY. Yeah, I mean, it got across. It could come up here. Amy just flickering around. What's UVXY doing? It's bouncing up a little bit here. Wants a 5-minute MACD cross. So get ready. Lockheed. Just holding here. PM, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, buddy. Trey is the Godfather AMC. Been listening to him since January. Exactly. Lockheed crossed up on the 5. It's close. Ariel, thank you so much for the super. You think waiting till 9:45 or 10 is better? Most of the time, yes. Most of the time, that is going to be much better. SPY's coming up here a little bit. Lockheed crossed up on the 5. Not yet. It's close, though. RSX. What's RSX? Down a lot. SPY's moving up here a little bit. Amy, 1780. I mean, it's holding its own over here. Where's Lockheed now? I mean, it was making highs. Yeah, hit that new high. What is Max Payne this week? I think it was 17 the last time that I looked at it, but let's take a look. It still says AMCore. I don't know why, but AMC 1750 right now. 1750 Max Payne on AMC. Yeah. VIX is green. Well, the SPY's still down a very significant amount over here, so careful with it. All right. Can you do a day where you trade SPY puts and calls all day? Sure. Why? I mean, I could do it, but why? Back to the default League of Infinite. Yeah, maybe. Why is Lockheed so damn expensive? Because the stock is so expensive. The stock is high priced and there's a lot of volatility baked into this. Oxy holding. Ooh, that's interesting. Let's see what we got over here. Let's see. Francisco, thanks for the super, buddy. AMC and Prog chart looking the same for a couple of days. Interesting. Have a good day. Francisco, I appreciate it. Did I sell my Riot call? I did. And do I regret it now? Yeah, I did. Just because I thought we were going to have like a nice little Bitcoin boom. Just a nice little rally in Riot and Merit. Have the potential to go nutty. I got out of that for basically flat. LMT cross on the 5 if you have trading view and paper data. Okay, cool. What does it say on this? Okay, so it's saying here we got that STC right around where I bought it too. So I'm gonna leave this up here for a little bit, see what happens with Lockheed, and see if we get that sell signal on the STC. It looks good. SPY's looking up. Oh, GME, nice little candle back to the upside here. Microsoft cross. Interesting. Good morning, SV. What's up, Darstar? How you doing, buddy? Bank of America new lows. Fuck. Yeah, new lows coming down. SPY just flickering around here. Amy, 1784, looking all right, man. I mean, it's looking solid. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Again, and also we are going to be doing that that private Discord stream today for all you premium members. So if you guys do want access to that, make sure you guys check out the Discord. Luke Oil ripping down. Need some Don Julio today. That'd be pretty sweet, man. That would be pretty sweet. All right, Lockheed, what's this looking like? Yeah, it looks good. Looks freaking good. Instead of Riot SV, you should have got into BKKT. That's fine. Mara crossed on the way up. Well, I never got Mara. Merrick crossed in the pre-market, but was looking like it was going to be more steady over here. Yeah, I mean, this is crazy moves that we're seeing today. GME's still down a little bit. SPY's just flickering around a lot here. Oh, also, I'm going to see Batman on Sunday, people. I'm so pumped. Dude, I am so pumped to go see Batman. Like, I can't even tell you how excited I am to go see that. Like, so excited. BBBY cross up on the 5. Yeah, this thing has the potential to go a little nutty here. So, let's see. I don't know. New candles. We'll give that one a little bit. I mean, that could be the one that we see today, and then we're like, oh, shoot, wish I got that, and then we didn't. All right, Lockheed's about to cross up on the 5. I might add another one to this soon. It's going to be a bigger trade. Tesla. It's up 2%. Not bad. SPY flickering around over here. SQ upgraded to a price target of 160. SQ ripping. Oh, boy. Is there a cross? Yeah, no cross. It's coming down a little bit here. SPY's flickering. Flickering. LMT. Yeah, Lockheed's coming up. All right. Let's see. I think we're going to add another one to this. Not that specific contract. We'll get a further one out because these are expensive as hell. Let's see if they'll film me on that. Wow. I am just okay. Maybe I didn't steal that one as good as I thought I did, but it's okay. All right, I got 2 of them. So let's see what happens with this. The fills are going to be ridiculous here. So you got to kind of look and see what's going to happen with Lockheed here. I mean, it looks like it wants to go, but SPY's just kind of slowly trying to pick its direction over here. So let's see what happens with this. About to get at 1348 cross on Lockheed over here. So let's see Amy coming back down. Oxy banging. Oxy, dude, having a day. All right, GME about to cross down. SPY flickering around here. Being weird. Being a little bit of a weirdo, you know? All right, let's see. SPY, what are we looking at over here? Oxy is ripping faces off. If you guys have Oxy, good for you. Not like actual Oxy, but like, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Oh, it's the high. 427. Okay. Let's see. Amy bouncing off that 13. SPY looking all right over here. Profited from Riot using the 1348 method. No losses so far. Yeah, I mean, where's it at now? It's all right. What do we look at on here on STC? All right, still looks good. Okay. Riot, Flickery. SPY's coming up here a little bit. Let's see what we get here, people. Apple moving down. I mean, SPY's moving up a little bit here. What's up with Apple? No, Apple coming up here on a it's not a 1348, but it's close. Amy coming down a little bit. Flickering red, green, or green, red over here. SPY doing its thing. Lockheed, that sucks. Looks like SPY is going to cross on the 5-minute 1348. It did already. It already did. Things just moving weird. Yeah, LMT is coming down a little. Let's see. Getting busted. The spreads are shitty on it. Oh, there goes the SPY on a nice little move. So now we're looking at on the SPY is a little bit of a breakout of this range right here. If it starts to go, that'll be a little bit interesting here. And then watch Lockheed. We could have some news here that's going to push stuff down on like the defense side. On the defense side. Yeah, SPY boom. That was big. That was a nice little boom on the SPY here. All right, let's see what we're getting. SPY's looking good. Hey, Squirrel, you scared me out of my SPY calls. That was rude of you. That was so rude of you. I'm kidding. Tesla running? Yeah. I mean, I like the stuff that I have right now. Let's see here. Yeah, guys. Also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. So what I'm looking at here is a breakout of the SPY above this level here. Because if you do that, you have all the way to 444. Am I going to buy the 444? No. But if you break out here, you got a little bit of room to run. So let's see what happens over here. Amy 1785 looking decent. Do you play a Strangle or Straddle for earnings? Strangle. Made 260% on UVXY holding over the weekend. Oh, boy. All right. Paper hands. Yeah, I guess so. Big paper hands over here. HD about to cross. That's trying. Lucid cross down, selling off. Bouncing back up a little here. SPY doing all right. You can see the strength Amy had when the floodgates opened. Dude, it was insane. EVGO 1348 cross. I do like some EVGO in my life. Oh, yeah. EVGO looks good here. SPY moving up. All right, let's see. What's EVGO doing? I mean, it's not moving a whole lot here. SPY slowly making its way up. TLT is at a good run. Yeah, what are the TLTs at right now? Nothing too crazy. Lockheed, how's this looking? Did it fall through here? I don't like this. Don't like this all that much. Let's see. Let's see. SPY moving around here. Riot, new day high. Fuck. Yeah. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. I had it on the right. That sucks. That sucks. Let's see. Yeah, SPY moving up here. Riot doing all right. Where's Lockheed? Suck. Just absolutely sucking. All right. SPY's flickering around a little bit here. Paper handsing on it. DraftKings moving higher. Trying. Thanks to the Riot calls. You're welcome. You are welcome, my friend. Yeah, DraftKings moving up a little bit here. Yeah, definitely was forcing the Lockheed, but let's see what happens with it. You violated the rules of Riot testing the 13 EMA. I probably did violate the rules because it wasn't a 1348, really. Yeah, I did violate the rules. I did violate the rules, and I'm a stupid head for that. Microvision pushing 4. Charge point looking strong. Charge point can get nutty. I mean, EVGO is going too. No cross here. So, I mean, SPY did cross. It looks all right. Rocky little pop. Good morning, Vicks. Positive vibes from Monday. Hit that like button for the algorithm. Thank you, guys. Yeah, if you don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, helps out a whole lot. SPY's moving up here. Locky doing all right. Let's see what happens with this. Let's see. You did. That's why I kept the calls on Riot, because it was still by the 1348 rules. Good. Don't do what I do. I freak out sometimes. I'm still, God, motherfucker. Are they going to make me FOMO back into this thing? Are they seriously going to make me? Oh, fuck. All right, let's see. All right, let's see. Did I FOMO? Maybe. Time to earn the diamond hands today. SPY's looking all right. Amy's trying to come up a little bit here. UVXY crossing down. Interesting. Go back to Bitcoin. I think the Russians are slapping the ass to save the value of their money. It's still popping. All right, let me look here. Yeah, Bitcoin's running up here. So Riot and Merrick could have a little bit of a day. Here comes Riot. I did it. I did get more. I had to. Sometimes I'm just a stupid head. And you know what happens to stupid heads? They lose money, and then they FOMO back in and make money. So we'll see. CEI to 1. Are you guys really trying to get CEI going again? CEI, I mean, it looks all right. SPY's coming up here a little bit. Oxy still strong. Up 30% on Riot. Looks like I paid for next month's Discord. There you go, buddy. All right. Lucky. This is the one that I need here. This is the one. AMC and GME Ortex. I can do the AMC one really quickly for you. All right. So Amy Ortex, 471,000 shares borrowed. Wait, did this just rip? Oh, there we go. All right. So 471,000 shares borrowed. We got 1.07% average cost of borrow. Whoa. Why is it not selling me anything? Ortex, stop freaking around. All right, it's not even giving me anything on the estimated short interest side, so screw them. SPY's moving up here. Is the Riot looking good? Riot good. Lockheed's coming back to life here. So let's see what happens with this. SPY pop. Yeah. Let's see if SPY needs to break out of this range here. So 434.50. So it hit 434.48 and it's trying to make its way back up here now, but let's see. Trading and driving made $60 so far. Careful, my friend. Don't put your life at risk. It's not worth it. Come on, Amy. Get back above 18 over here. So we got AMC trying to get above 18. SPY's making a little move here. Here comes Lockheed. Where's Riot? Riot. There we go. There we go. All right. I'm up 5% on the Riots. Yeah. Riot's coming up big here. This is nice. So, here comes the SPY with a little bit of a breakout. All right, here we go. Come on, let's make some money, people. What do we got? Mara popped. Yeah, they're all Riot calls printing. That was a really good call in the morning, and I'm going to leave these now. I'm not going to be a little idiot anymore. You're up 35% on the Riots. There you go. 434.53, and we run on the SPY. I would have to agree with that. It's getting knocked down a little bit here. Lockheed now is getting that 13.48. So it likes the 13. It really liked the 13.48 on Friday. Let's see what happens with it now. GME gap up. Oh, shit. Look at GameStop right now. Just literally from 118 to 119. Oh, this thing's getting up there. I like it. I freaking like it, man. All right, let's see what we got going on. All right. SPY trying here. I mean, Amy getting knocked down a little bit. Let's see. SPY flickering. Here comes the Lockheed, I think. Here it comes. AMD is ripping. Yeah, AMD's getting up there. SPY flicking around. Lockheed's coming back to life. What are we looking at? Riot. Riot selling off. Yeah, AMD looking all right. Premium hasn't moved yet. Looking good over here. All right. Are you excited for HBO and Jon Stewart this week? Yes, that is going to be awesome. Those two things coming out, the HBO documentary on GameStop and the Jon Stewart stuff with Matt, Jay Brown, and Dave Lauer, those are going to be awesome. Riot again. Nah, it's coming down a little bit, getting a little candle. But Riot, like I was saying it before, Riot does this. So I have to like be in my mind like Riot tends to do this. It sells off and then it goes crazy and then I get scared out of my position and I hate my life. So I'm going to not do that this time. Let's see. AMC 1793 right here. Let's see. What's the deal with Tesla, Starlink in Ukraine? I mean, it might. I mean, Tesla's up a little bit here. I thought Tesla was up like 2%. Yeah, Tesla's running up a little bit here. SPY's flickering. GME looking all right. CrowdStrike making moves. Yeah, you guys were saying that a little bit earlier. Crowd. Yeah, this thing's running up a little bit here. Here comes Lockheed. All right. Let's see what we get over here. Amy flickering down 1791. SPY's getting a pretty big size red candle over here. How's Riot doing? Probably coming down. Yeah, where's Bitcoin? Bitcoin. Yeah, a little bit of a red. I mean, that's a purple candle or a violet candle on Bitcoin over here. Kind of weird. Amy coming down to the 13. SPY might do something similar. Yeah, SPY getting rejected. That's not ideal. Lockheed holding. Let's see. Bitcoin needs 40 G's to make Riot, Mara, Bitfarms really nutty. I think so too. We don't want gaps like that. Why? Why not? All right. How cool is the Starlink move by what? I thought it was pretty cool. Amy is the main event. Just be patient. I 100% agree. It's just kind of flickering around here ahead of earnings. So SPY moving down. Lockheed coming up here. Here it goes. I have confidence in this. So I'm going to hold the nuts out of these. The spreads are ridiculously wild and they suck. So these really need to go. ISPO is about to cross up on the 5-minute. What's ISPO? It is about the cross. It's down 3%. Had a pretty big candle over here. GME 119.47. TLT though. What's up with TLT? Is it continuously ripping? Yeah, TLT is coming up. Let me see what happens over here. Yeah, nothing really too crazy going on with my TLT strangle. Amy coming down a little bit here. AMC needs to gap up to 5K. Yeah, Lucid crossing up on the 5. All right, folks. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in too, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's see here. Yeah, here comes the Lockheed. Let's see what happens with this. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Yeah, Lockheed is starting to run a little bit here. Let's see what happens with it. My contract came back to life, I think. And one of them's still down a little bit, but it's really just the spread on it. Nobody's touching it yet. The other one's looking fine, though. SPY moving back up here a little bit. Amy, a little bit of a pop. Yeah, watch it at the previous high. What's the high? 427.21. That could do that in like a minute. Oh, boy. Almost. AMC is almost at 18. I needed to double for it to break even. Hard MF. I mean, I needed it 26 to get back to even. Or 26.14 or whatever I said it was earlier. I suppose the one that went crazy last week, like a 500% runner. Oh, boy. XOM looks good. Yeah, Oxy was looking really good. Is there any crosses on this? Nah, it's trying, but this thing could get a little jumpy. SPY coming down to the 13. AMC, Declaration of Independence. Honestly, this move on AMC this morning was like wild. Like all of a sudden, it was just boom, candles coming off. Disney cross down. Things might start to cross down. GME wants to get a little bit of action over here. Let's see what happens with this. Oh, we still have Riot. Forgot about that. How's Riot? It's holding. It's holding. Let's see. SPY bouncing off this 13. Germany says they're doubling their defense budget. Yeah. Lockheed running. Check it out. I mean, I have calls on it. Let me see what happens here. I spent a little bit of money on it. So let's see. Hopefully we can get a little bit of action on these. All this stream is watching the line. Can you add some substance like following the news or TA or something? Oh, I do that all the time. You must be new here, Phil. Oh, and I literally print money for people. So other than that, you can leave if you don't like it. You think they realize dropping the price is more costly because of retail massive buying? They keep it in the range bound to collect options. I mean, sort of. They can collect the options on it if they really want to. That's what they've been doing. 1348 cross super strong on IWM. Where's IWM? No cross on it. I mean, it's bouncing off this 13 on the 5-minute. What time frame are you looking on? Does LMT follow the SPY? Sometimes no. Yeah, Amy, a little bit of a boom. Let's see. Neo flying. Yeah, Neo coming up here off that little head faking move this morning. GME 120.44. Let's see if Amy can get back up to 18. Yeah, the Russell. I know. SPY. IWM. Russell 2000 right here. No 1348 on this. I mean, it's bouncing off of the 13. It's down 0.31% over here. All right, what do we want? Keep chilling, little cool off here. All right, Amy 1792. You might want to look at GLD. Gold's coming up here a little bit. Foot Locker. What's the ticker? What's the ticker on Foot Locker? Can I look at DraftKings? Yeah. I wouldn't. I'm not touching this right now. Thoughts on AMC earnings tomorrow? I think it's going to be really solid. I think it's going to be very, very solid on AMC's earnings. But we'll see. Putin's on SPY. Uh-oh, Dan Landry. You might be right on that one. FL is Foot Locker. What's it doing? It's up 1%. Right. Chilling. AMC 1788. SPY broke that 13 EMA. Uh-oh. Spaghetti-o. You bought 100 shares at 26, also bought 200 shares at 6, 200 shares at 9, and other shares at other prices. Diamond handed 8. There you go. Oh, I should just be able to Foot Locker. Sorry about that. You are correct. I should just be able to do that. I'm an idiot sometimes. All right. Let's see here. All right, Amy, let's see if we can get back above 18. That'd be pretty sweet. Brian, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Is anybody going to tell Elon that we're actually buying Teslas after the squeeze? It's true, and his reaction will do good things for AMC. I like him being more part of the fight for market transparency because we don't really want him coming in and being like, I'm buying it, because he could just come out the next day and be like, I'm selling it, and then everybody freaks out. It just adds more volatility. It's like another aspect. Like, we already have options in day traders. You want Elon with more volatility on there? That's not for me. I don't want that. SPY coming up here a little bit. Let's see. Amy 1794. Mullen not dead. Mullen coming back up here a little bit. GME 119.65. SPY just flickering. All right, let's see. Mullen coming up. That's nice. Comes Lockheed. That's what I need. And then Riot as well. I need Riot to go on a moon mission. Let's see what happens with Riot over here. Yeah, I don't really. Elon's gonna just cause some weird stuff that like happen. All right, SPY flicker. Lockheed about to hit new highs over here. There we go. Oxy ripping faces off. Dude, my brother just texted me. He was like, Oxy's finally going. And I'm like, shit. Oh, Oxy's really good. Oxy really good this morning, up 6%. There you go. AMC testing 18. It's trying, man. It's really, really trying. Where are we at with LMT? Yeah, this thing's coming up. I like this here. I only have 2 contracts, but they're so expensive. Like, so expensive. All right, let's see. It's coming up. Not bad. Oh, coming up a lot, man. All right. Whoa, coming up a lot. Jeez, man. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got with this. GME rejected. Exxon. Did Exxon get the cross finally? Not yet, but Exxon's coming up. GME selling off. I mean, not GME. Well, GME did get rejected, but SPY is coming down a little bit here. Kind of taking Amy down with it. Let's see what we get over here. USO popping. Okay, Exxon's popping now. Yeah, USO is getting a little bit of a pop. There must be news or something because Lockheed would not be moving like this. I don't see anything crazy going on, but this is SPY's coming down and these stocks are going up. This is really interesting here. Do you think USO will move more? I don't know. I mean, oh wow, I'm actually up a decent amount on Lockheed right now. Nice. Okay, cool. USO. I think yes. I think, but Oxy looks to be the winner right now. Oxy looks really good, man. Really, really good. How's Lockheed? Yeah, here it goes. IMPP, that's another oil one that could go a little nutty. Yeah, 1348 cross here. Looks like it's coming up. SPY's just kind of flickering here. Where's Riot with the Bitcoin stuff going on? Riot, coming down a little bit. So let's see what happens with this. SPY coming down. Yeah, and you're kind of seeing the rotation here where the money, there it is. You're starting to see the money flow. You're starting to see the money start to flow in and out of where people want to go with their money. So they're coming into these defense stocks. Another one, RTX, Raytheon. This one's coming up a little bit. Northrop Grumman, NOC. Yeah, you're starting to see the fear in the defense stock start to come back to life. So watch these. These could get a little nutty. That's what I was looking for this morning of just like, okay, where's the money going to go? Like it's Lucid earnings looks bad. I might play the actual event. Nursing options. I'm nursing them over here. I'm trying to get them to come back to, I mean, the Lockheed's good. Having some fun on that one. I'm going to ride this one out for a little while. I might need to take a little bit of a cool off period, but I do like it. So we'll see what happens with this. IMPP Ortex. All right, fine. IMPP. Well, AMC is not even listing short interest right now, which kind of sucks. Yeah, it's not listing anything. We got average cost to borrow 497% though. That's pretty crazy. So Let's see here. All right, SPY moving down a little bit. Let's see what happens with these defense stocks. Oxy looks really, really good. Said addicts everywhere. Yeah. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. And make sure you check out the Discord for the 1348 alerts and all the private live streams. We are doing that private live stream today for all you premium members. So anybody that's in premium, make sure you guys get ready for that today. I think it's starting at 11:45. And then I'll hop on after this. Just wait for Bitcoin to hit 40K. Ryan Amara will run. I think so too. I think they're primed to run here. SPY is coming down now, though. What is up with that Ortex? Dude, all of Ortex is jacked up right now. We're not even getting AMC numbers. Like, we're not getting anything. Let's see. All right. SPY trying to make a move back up here. AMC trying to make another attempt at 18. Let's see what we get over here. Up 190% on Oxy. There you go, buddy. I love to see that. VLTA printing. There you go. I mean, Lockheed's doing numbers over here for me. Wait, Affirm call sweep. You guys were calling out Affirm this morning. Affirm's coming up. Affirm is coming up nicely here and doesn't really give a shit about what the SPY's doing. This one could be interesting. No 1348 though. Let me pull it up on this STC AFRM. How's it looking? Did it get the buy yet? Yeah, right it open. I got that little buy signal on Affirm, but Affirm is looking to come up to new highs. Let's see. Lockheed looking to break highs as well. Yeah, let's see what we're gonna get over here, folks. UVXY war stock. Yeah. Fuel cells ripping. Yeah, fuel cell. SPY's coming down now. Oh boy. Watch out. Watch out, man. Let's see. All right. Riot coming back to life over here a little bit. Hold on. SPY coming down and Riot's going up. That's a little interesting right here with the SPY moving down. A lot of these things are inversing. Here we go. Bitcoin is going. Let's take a look. Yeah, Bitcoin's getting some candles over here. Watch it at 40,000. That could really start to push things up. We'll leave Bitcoin up here for a little bit and see what it's going to do in reaction to the SPY. Guys, I'm going to run to the bathroom for like 2 seconds, but like it's not going to take very long. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. I'll be right back. So, all right, let's print some money today again. All righty, folks. Let's see what we got going on here. So, oh, there goes Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Rip. Holy shit, Bitcoin. Jesus. Okay. Well, let's see what happens with Riot now. This is kind of nutty. I hit boom candles. There we go. Lockheed. Oh man. Oh boy. All right. So looking really good so far across the board. Let's see what happens. SPY flickering around a little bit. GME coming back to life. Amy just looks like it's Barclay. What's this look like on a 1 minute? Doesn't look that terrible in terms of like manipulation, but doesn't look great. So Riot, let's see what's gonna happen over here. Riot looking good. Lucid crossed up and moving a little. There we go. Doge is ripping too. Did I wash your hands? Yes, I washed my hands. Riot new day high. Such a good call this morning. Yeah, that was a really good call on Riot. I wish I held my initial one because now I went for a further strike. But again, I mean, I'm still happy with it. I'm only up like 10% now on it, which is fine. One of the Lockheeds, I'm up 20%. One of the other ones, I'm up 36%, which is not bad. I mean, I think this is going to run a little bit. 100%. This is the Russian population taking all their money, turning into Bitcoin. Oh, I think it's very possible that's happening too, Ryan. Very, very possible that that's happening. You held the initial one. Oh, you're probably printing. You're probably doing. Whoa, LMT. Boom candles on this thing. You're up 560% on Lockheed. I was up 700% at one point on Friday with the Lockheed. So let's see what happens with it today. SPY's coming down now. So this is why we're tracking the flow of money. SPY is coming down looking for a 1348 cross to the downside. But then there's stocks like the defense ones that are starting to come up. And then Riot is starting to get some boom boom candles off Bitcoin coming up too. So first day in 1348 jumped in on Lucid. All right, let's see what's going on with Lucid. Lucid looks all right. Lucid's a weird one. Sometimes when it gets these 1348s, it'll rip up, come right back down, and then go nuclear. So I have the, what do you call it? I have the 1750 call on Riot, and it's up 15-ish%. The Lockheeds are doing good. SPY's moving down now. Let's see. Oh, Amy, 1818 over here on AMC, pumping up. There we go, everybody. So SPY's moving down. AMC's just like, screw it, I'm going up. You're up 60% on Riot calls. There you go. There you go. All right, let's see what we get over here. All right, looking solid across the board right now. Actually, Lockheed, don't be a shithead. AMC coming up, man. Here we go. Damn, y'all taught me well. We're trying. Bitcoin BTC over 40K. Yeah, we saw that. My riots are actually looking really good. Like really, really solid on the riots. Where's it at now? If these go in the money, I'll make them. Or again, same rules apply. 100% make it free. I mean, it would have to really rip for these to go up 100%. By the time I would be up 100%, you guys would already be up a lot. Like you guys might be up 150%. Take a look at DWAC. What's up, Amy? No. The whack. DWAC coming up, 1348 cross. Spicy. Getting a little spicy. All right, folks. Yeah, DWAC looks like it wants to come up here a little bit. SPY getting a little bit of a candle back to the upside. I mean, is Lockheed going to inverse it today? Yeah, it could. Oh, GME 121.19 over here. AMC trying to make a little bit of a move. Hold your horses. Let's see. Fuel cell still ripping. There you go. Holy shit, my Riot calls. Thank you, SCV. Eco, you're welcome. Also, shout out to Ryan for telling me that Bitcoin was doing some things this morning. Because like right as Ryan said that, I was like, oh yeah, Riot Mara. Oh yeah, here it goes. This is dirty. You're welcome, everybody. You're welcome. That was a good one. Tesla ripping. There you go. Riot calls. Thanks, SCV. There you go. SoFi new day high. 100%, 107% on Riot. Lucid new day highs. There you go, people. Crushing it over here. All right. Riot flickering. Ooh, hold on. Here it goes. Lucid new day highs. How much settled cash do I have? Oh, a shitload. I thought I spent way more money. Oh, cool. We're good to go. How much unsettled cash do I have? That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Oh, because I'm still in this other stuff. I gotcha. Tim, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Shout out to Squirrel for scaring me out of my SPY calls. Okay, that too. Thank you, Squirrel. I appreciate that. SPY coming back hard. Yeah, it's trying. Lockheed coming up, looking for that high. Where is Riot? Get up there, bro. Here it goes. SDE has $200. No, up over 60% on your Riots. Thanks. Anytime. I mean, I'm up 30%. So I probably got half of it that you guys have. So when you guys are up 100%, I'll probably be up 50 when maybe, I don't know. So I'm going to cut these. I think Riot's going to get a little bit of action, especially if Bitcoin's going to go on a little bit of a run. And then, hold on. Lucky's going nutty, I think. And it's doing good. The spreads on these are just so wild that the position will just like flicker. If my Lockheed position goes up 100%, I'll be thrilled. It's up. Honestly, that's almost worth taking soon. Like if this makes a new high, I'll probably take one of the contracts back. Russell is leading the charge. There you go. 80% on Oxy, 79% on Riot. Boom. I'm up 31% on Riot. Thank you very much. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Does anyone feel bad from making money off defense stocks, knowing people are getting killed while we support the war? Okay, here's kind of how I look at it. One, I'm looking at flow of money in the market and where money is going. If money like that is going to go into defense stocks, and I would not hold them long. I do not believe in the long-term like success in the company, even though they're probably going to be successful. I will not buy it long. But if there's going to be a short-term price fluctuation and I can just get in and out, I'm not providing them with any money. It's just going up and I'm making the money. You can say you don't like it or not, but then you also have to think about like, okay, Apple gets all of their products from like like not good places. And should we not trade Apple? It's like, all right. So there's like a line you have to be like, where's the line? For me, I'm just watching flow of money and be like, all right, money's flowing into stocks like this. I'm buying some calls, going to flip it in and out and get on. It's not me supporting it at all. Riot. Whoo! Woo! Riot. Damn. Just like Facebook. Like you could be like, all right, like Facebook is causing so much mental illness with like Instagram and everything. And should you not own it? I mean, I don't like Facebook, so I'm not going to own it. But again, like there's a lot of things. There's a lot of different like every time you say you're gonna take a contract back or go in and out quickly all back in, all I think about is you're lucky. I see you. Yeah, that's true. All right, Riot's coming up again. Lockheed's selling off a little. Oh, Amy, hold on. 1819 over here. What a beast. XOM will touch through another 1348 in the 5 minute. There you go. GME's a rock. Dude, GME's looking good. 121.06. All right, here comes Lockheed. 35% on the Riots right now for me. You guys are probably up more than I am. 5 positions today, 4 wins, up $184. My man, there you go. All right, let's see. Up over 100% on Mara. Okay, so maybe Mara was the play. How's Riot? Oh, my Riot calls are about to be up. I mean, I'm up 42% on these. Jesus, I wish I just threw more money at Riot and not freaking Lockheed. That's just silly. I might just take some of that back soon. Had all my money stolen on 224 by somebody who got it. Whoa. Sam, that is terrible. I don't know. Who got a check we mailed inside the post office? Wow, Sam, that is terrible. I'm sorry to hear that, buddy. That is not good. Let's see. Up 90% on Riot. I'm up 39%. All right. The STC is still telling me to stay in on the Lockheed. So that is what I will do. SPY flickering around a little bit here. Did a quick 15% on Riot. There you go, man. You bought a put on Riot? Oh, Amy with a boom boom candle right here. 1830 right now. Looking solid. Really solid on this one. Woo! All right. Where's Riot now? Is Riot in the money yet? Nah, it's close, though. Oh, GME with a candle, too. Here we go. Yep, new highs on AMC over here. 1828 up 3.5%. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Ooh. Here we go. I want to see Riot go to 20 again. I mean, me too, bro. What's up, Vix? Just wanted to say hello. Credible White Knuckle. Appreciate that, buddy. All right. Riot calls in the money. There we go. 46%. Not bad. So I might take this soon and just kind of ditch it, you know? Just like ditch. Bye. Leave it in the ditch. Or make them free. I kind of want to see what happens if I make them free. AMC's just ripping right now. Making new highs. This is awesome, people. Guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream, too. I mean, this is looking good today, everybody. All right. What is Lockheed doing? Is it just chilling or is it really selling? Oh, GME with a candle over here. I like this, man. All right. SPY moving back up here. Oh, my AMC. Jesus. Snapchat going on a cross. I know somebody had Lucid, so we'll take a look at that in a minute on the cross. Oh, you crushed it on that Lucid cross. Whoever had that Lucid cross is doing numbers on this thing. There you go. SPY moving up. All right. The Lockheed kind of sucks. I mean, it's fine. It's still in the green. It's just not what I want. All right. Coming down here. Amy. Woo! New highs on this beast. All right. Okay. We'll see. Plug is ripping. There you go. SPY moving up here nicely. Riots are up 48, 49%. GME is ripping here. Amy is ripping. SPY's coming back to life over here, too. Let's see what happens over here. Riot. Let's get Riot over here. I'm just watching these positions. I'm just hunting. 52% on Riot. All right. I'm technically still green on my Lockheed position. Oh, just went into the red. I think it's just cooling. I think it's just going to cool. Maybe it'll touch this 13. I mean, the STC still says, yeah. 100% on Tesla. Whoo! There you go. Wish Riot would go. Dude, it has gone. It's looking great here. Oh, GME new highs. GME pumping up here. 124. There we go, people. So Amy and Jimmy are getting up here a little bit. Sorry about that burp. I didn't mean it. I'm drinking energy drinks. It happens. So this is looking Lucid moving. Yeah, on that 1348, it looks good. Maybe a Lucid little run up into close. I don't know. How are the Lucid premiums today? They probably suck because of earnings. Yeah, they're jacked. That's not fun, but I mean, Lucid's making highs. I might have to just bite the bullet here, you know, and just like YOLO, not YOLO. 1348 cross coming up with a little bit of momentum. SPY moving up here. Yeah, Lucid looks decent. Oh, Amy, GME. Woo! All right, I got to check on these rides and Lockheed. Damn it, Lockheed, you fucker. It's fine. I deserve it after what happened on Friday with Lockheed. Let me see. I'm watching the, honestly, I'm testing out this new STC indicator to just kind of take a look and see how, like, what it's doing. Oh my God. AMC is up 5% right now. 1855. SPY's coming up. Riots are up 54%. Woo! Here we go, people. Amy's ripping. We're having a good time. Guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. You guys are awesome. I appreciate each and every one of you guys being here. You guys are all awesome. So Lucid, what do we got going on over here? Lucid still coming. I might just bite the bullet on this thing. Because I do think, I mean, hold on. Should we do it? Should we do it or should we wait? I think we should wait. That's just kind of my thing. I think we should wait. I don't want to get too willy-nilly today. You know, you don't want to go full of willy-nilly ever. Oxy making new day highs. Damn, son. Peloton cross. I mean, that's going to be a drunk premium. Right, 140%. I've joined the Discord. F it. Beyond worth it. Boom. I mean, that's just kind of what we do over there. We just do this all the time. So Amy's looking solid here, people. Yeah. So the Discord link is in the top of the chat over here. We are going to be doing that private Discord stream midday today. So if you do want access to that, it's going to be first TMI and Gabe review dork, and then it's going to be me and Gabe going into the Riot. How freaking Riot looking good. Lockheed, if this is where I don't, okay, that's fine. That's okay. 30% on Riot, got in a little late. That's fine. EV stocks ripping. Okay, where's Neo? Neo I could play. Neo could be a good one. Dang, there's just no indicator on it. What about EVgo? EVgo was another crosser a little while ago with some momentum. That's coming up. Amy's looking solid. I mean, I'm only up 52% on the Riot. I feel like I should take it and stop being a greedy mother effer, you know? But I mean, I just think if Bitcoin starts to go, like Riot can just absolutely rip. And here's what I probably will do. And this is what happened a couple of weeks ago. We got into Riot. I sold it, flipped it a little bit, and then it went nuclear for like the rest of the week. And I was like, I hate my life right now. Why have I done this? So if I just make it free, leave it Lucid up 45%. Jesus, dude. Affirm. Yeah, Affirm was another one that wasn't looking to cross, but it was getting some momentum. Affirm is looking good. SPY is starting to get a little jumpy over here. I think Lockheed's coming back to life. 60% up on Amy calls. There you go. Docu up 65%. Woo! Here we go, people. Guys, make sure you engage with the content. Help get this out to some more people. Hit that like button on the stream. This is fun. Up 62% on Riot 1850 calls. Dude, crushing it. Absolutely sparking these market makers, bro. Screw them. We are out here making money when we're not supposed to be. AMD too. Oh, Micron was a little bit of a lagger. Maybe we hit Micron again. No, nothing on Micron yet. Did Lockheed have its little cool off period yet and start to get, yep, there we go. Sold one at 100%, now holding one. Thanks for that Riot call out. Justin Craig, anytime, buddy. Dude, Ryan Sinclair, if you're still in here, good job on that Bitcoin view this morning. That's why I found the Riots for you guys, because Ryan said, look at Bitcoin. Palantir crop. I mean, Lockheed's looking good now. Where's Riot? Holy shit, Riot. 62%. Thank you very much. Amy looking good over here. 1847. SPY looks like it wants to get out of the range over here. Let's go, people. All right, everybody. Maribot at open now it's from 66 to 174. There you go. SPY's ripping right now. Riot's doing good. Lockheed's coming back to life. 60% on the Riot calls. Bing bong. She's flirting with the 48 on what? Who's flirting with the 48? Moas, please. I mean, dude, this is the earnings run up here. This is good to see. We are seeing a little bit of the earnings run up right now. We're up 4%. I mean, GME's up. Oh, GME's getting a little bit of a red here. Let's see. Where's Lockheed, little sell off. Riot looking good. 54% on the Riots. LMT. I mean, everything still looks good on the Riot. I mean, Lockheed's just kind of hanging out. If it breaks a new high, I'll probably take these. I mean, I'm only up the pole position with the multiple contracts, different strikes is up $15. The problem is that with things like Lockheed, the spreads are lit. I'm trying to, I have to steal contracts the entire time, like in and out. It's going to be a disaster. Oxy up 7%. Jesus. All right. What's the STC say? Still says stay in it. Amy on the 4 hour. Amy looks good. Did it get a cross? Did it cross back up? Oh, here it goes. So what I need from Amy on Webull, it says that the 200 EMA is 1993. On TradingView, it's a little bit different. So I might start getting into some calls if we start to see a little bit of momentum above these ranges. But you have to keep in mind that if we see a pump from earnings, it needs to hold. You can't just have it like a long 4 hour shark fin. Like that would suck if you're trying to get calls. So you need to see that momentum start to get there. So if I start to see Amy start to peak out of this range, this is 1993. And I think the other one's at on the other, what's the 200 EMA on like TradingView and TD? Isn't it like 23 on the 4 hour chart? So Amy's looking good over here. We are at 1854, looking decent. Lockheed coming up, SPY coming up. Riot is probably doing the damn thing over here too. Yup. Having an awesome time over here, people. Woo! My neighbors hate me. I don't go to class. I just try to trigger Moas. I don't know. Can you explain the catalyst from the momentum in Riot? Yeah. Okay. So what happened was Bitcoin was ripping. Bitcoin started to run. And we were also looking at Bitcoin breaking 130% on Riot. There we go. We were also looking at 40,000 on Bitcoin. Once it broke that, boom, off to the races. And it's got this little 1348 cross at open. It shark finned on me here, which I didn't like. I was like, shit. Because I was like, all right, well, the market's selling off now. SPY's coming up again. And I was like, all right, well, this could be a little bit of a big dud across the board. But Bitcoin, Amy, new day high. Yeah, 1862 over here. We're looking solid, everybody. Amy crossed the daily 13 EMA, 48. Is at 2052 on Webull. Interesting. Okay, so Riot's coming up here. Is Lockheed selling off? Lockheed, why are you doing this to me? Just be nice to me. Boeing cross. You held the shark fin. Good for you. You could have averaged down and gotten some more contracts if you were confident in it. I do that sometimes on the SPY. If I'm really confident in a SPY position and I'm in a little bit early, I see it reject a little bit and then come back whatever way I want it to go. I'll just get more contracts. Let's see. Lockheed being an a-hole. 62% on Riot over here. Crushing it, man. Absolutely freaking crushing it. Riot. Still looking solid, dude. Beyond is ripping. Beyond meat. Yeah, Beyond looking good. No cross or anything on this, so careful with it on the chase. SPY 5-minute MACD cross looking good. Whoa, Beyond really coming up. Do they have earnings? Freaking Lockheed. Let's see. Microvision up. Let's see here. Ho, the new guy. Thank you so much for that super chat, buddy. I really appreciate that. SV Docu has been good to me. The alerts, though? What happened with the alerts? Docu. No alerts. Is that what you're saying? Well, no. 1348 cross right here, and then shark fins, and then rips. You're good on Docu. Amy coming up. All right. SPY's getting the top of this range over here. This is looking spicy. All right. So here's the deal on the SPY right now. We have 2 minutes left in this candle. If we get a closing candle outside of this range right here, I will probably get a couple of SPY calls just because we could see that momentum start to come back to the upside. And honestly, that would be nasty if we saw that happen. Maybe I'm going to go really small because I have, honestly, for me, a giant Lockheed position just because I wanted multiple contracts, which was stupid. And I'm playing with fire. but I just have confidence, especially after what happened on Friday. So, Frank, thank you so much for the super, man. I appreciate that. Unusual Whales tweet could be the reason guess inflation and rate hikes don't matter anymore. All Putin wants neutral status with Ukraine. Does he? Hold on. Hold on. That might make me get out of Lockheed like instantly. Like instant get out. That might be what Yep. Hold on. Says Russian stock market is now uninvestable. Hold on. Where's that news? Lord Salman Putin says a neutral status for Ukraine is needed. That's not that they want it. So hold on. Watch out here. So they're not, that wasn't like a good like piece of news that came out. It was more of like he's just talking nonsense. All right. Amy, new day highs over here. SPY looking good. Where is Riot? How are the riots doing for you guys? Oh man, dude. Oh man. 90% on Uber calls. Guys, I love that you guys are printing today. It's so much fun to see you guys make money. She's a runner. She's a track star. All right. Now I'm up $10 on my Lockheed position. Nice. It's crazy. Oh, here comes a SPY. All right. Let's see. What can we get? SPY is pretty expensive. So, I mean, I'm going to be a little careful with it. Look for a retest of this little range here. I just want to see what the premiums are like for like what I want. What do I want here? Hold on. What do we want here? U.S. defense official. He believes that the Russians have not yet established air. Okay. Actually, okay. The SPY premiums are coming down a little bit here. It's flickering right around these levels. All right. What does the STC say? I mean, it's already going to say it's looking really good. So I'm going to leave that alone. I don't even need to see that. All right. I'm going to do this right here. Hey, Avocado, now I don't like you for getting me out of my spot. I mean, I would have gotten out anyway. Like, just put it out there. I would have gotten out anyway. Where's Lockheed? All right. Amy, doing it. All right. Okay. So I did get some SPY calls. So this is the combination of 1348 and supply and demand zones here. So we have that 1348. It's above the 200 EMA. It's got a closing candle above the box here. It could go on a little bit of a run, but again, it'll probably get a little bit of support at this level if it wants to come back down. So watch out on the SPY. Riots are up 60. Wait, I have multiple SPY positions? No. Yeah, I'm good on that. All right, cool. Let's see what we get over here, people. Marin Riot, my loves, they brought me into non-PDT status like 2 months ago, and I haven't looked back. Up 21% since that day. 11% of it is so far today. JD Wentworth, my man. There we go. All right, what's the STC saying on Lockheed? It's still saying stay in. Did you do a 436 call on the SPY? No. I did not, actually. 53% on the Riot. All right. Oh, I'm up a little bit on the SPY call. 5% printing, you know? Printing. All right, people. Yeah, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much to those of you who have already done that. And special thank you to those of you guys who are about to. All right, here comes SPY back up. Let's see what Lockheed does at this 13 EMA. Hasn't really tested it yet, like fully. So we got to wait for it to test right here. I mean, I don't want it to because that's going to suck. But I mean, I don't think anybody hopped in there with me on that one. So that's just kind of my YOLO of the day. What's Riot doing? Riot chilling. Bitcoin really needs another move. Oxy is ripping. Yeah. 61% on Riot. Down $50 on Lockheed. It's not that crazy in terms of percentage. Like, all right, 10% on these SPY calls right here. Here comes Riot. Here she comes. All right, folks. What do we got? Riot looking like it wants to make new day highs. SPY moving up here. Oh, here she comes. Verizon got the cross down today. Mullen ripping again. There you go. I'm seeing 436.38 as the next SPY level to cross. Yep. IMPP is ripping. Yeah, oil. Been watching the videos on the Discord, but they're kind of all over the place. Is there one video that explains 1348 strategy and how to get moving with options? Okay, I might be able to take a look at that and make one for you guys. All right. SPY is ripping right now. Am I up more on the SPY than I am down on the Lockheed? Not yet. I didn't go that big on the SPY. So let's see what happens here. I mean, wow, Riots are crushing it. Still green on the day. All right, come on. Come on, SPY. Let's go, pal. Amy, 19. Let's go. Let's get some Don Julio today, people. That's what I want. I want some Don Julio. You guys cool with that? 1942. I have school and stuff to do this week too. So I'm like really, really, really busy. I'm trying to get everything done. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do my best for you guys to get that out. You couldn't ask for a better looking chart with AMC. Dude, look, I mean, that sucks, but I mean, Spy flicker in here, Lockheed chilling. Where's Riot? Let's start a riot. That's a crazy song. All right. Riot chilling. Oh, that was rude. That was just rude. No, we want 20. All right. All right. SCB got Lucid flying. Yeah, I mean, those were looking really good when we were looking at those a little bit earlier. So, I mean, I'm up freaking 5% on Spy calls now. Let's see what happens with this. I think Spy looks good for today now. I think it looks pretty good. Out of this range, it's the 13 is extending about like it's getting further away from the 48. I like that. Lockheed's just pissing me off a little bit, but it's fine. 4 positions entered this morning, 4 positions in the green. Big Dave Bulls. I love to see that, buddy. All right, AMC 1851 right here. Spy starting to move up a little bit here. Spy getting that crossed up on the 5. It already crossed up on the 5 minute. It's probably coming towards it on the 30. No, it's already above on the 30, the 1 hour. And it's still above. So we're looking good over here. Let's see what happens with everything. Where's Riot? We need Bitcoin to get going a little bit more. Yeah, Riot coming down a little bit here. Let's see. What's the STC on Riot? Still looks good. Still looks good. Spy moving. There we go. Yeah, Spy new highs. Bing bong. Let's see here. 15% on Spy. John, thank you so much for the super chat, buddy. I really appreciate that, bro. Appreciate the video on the 1348 strat in advance. Thanks for all you do. Excited to get started with it. Seems like fun. Dude, lots of fun is had over here on 1348. All right. What in the hell is going on with Lockheed that I'm not seeing here? Almost time. Almost time to let it go and say bye-bye. AMD booming. Oh, Gabe is going to be thrilled about that. He's got a lot of AMD calls. Oh, Amy coming back up here. Spy looking like she wants to go. Riot, how we doing? Let's start a riot. Okay, not that kind of riot. We want it up. Micron is moving to cross. Yeah, all right. I might ditch the riots. 46%, take it. If I want to get back in, I can, because you know what this is? A free freaking country where I can take my 40% gains and then get back in, which is what I've just done on the riot. So now I only have Spy calls and Lockheed calls, and my Lockheed calls are hurting. Ugh. All right, let's see. Lucid about to cross in the 4 hour. I mean, Lucid, paper hands. Shut up, Big Dave. Who's pumping money in the market now? Why is it green? I mean, I think there's just more certainty in the market. So you got to kind of think about it like, all right, we kind of know what's about to go on with everything. So when you start to see moves like this in the market, you're like, all right, the market is more certain of things going in one direction. Way to Portnoy it. Dude, 46%, leave me alone. If you guys diamond hand it and it goes down to like negative 20%, who's the winner then? I can always get back in. If you say Riot's starting to pump again, I'll just buy more calls. That's what I did this morning. Made a lot of money. It's fine. Let me live, people. Didn't you already paper hand riot calls say? Yeah, technically this could be 2 paper hand riot calls, but I'm green on Riot. Mullen is ripping again. I mean, good for you, man. But Spy's just flickering here. All right, here comes Lockheed. I think this is about to poop itself. I legitimately think. Yeah, I legitimately think this is about to shit itself. That Spy coming down. No fun. Having no fun. How much are these done? I'm still up 3% on the Spy. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Can't go broke taking profits. Exactly. Took me an hour to remember to hit the like. Barry Bonds. What's up with that nonsense? Guys, also, if you don't mind, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Amy is up 5% on the day. We crushed it on the riot. You guys literally were printed on the riots. All right, Lockheed. What are we doing here, pal? What's it on the 1 minute? It's probably past the 48. Yep, past the 48. 1348 cross down on the 1 minute. Honestly, that could be a good indicator of like, hey, get out. Let's see. Spot pulling up. There we go. Let's see here. Hold on. Lockheed trying. Spy moving back up here. Come on. You hit the like last night. There you go. 1348 up 200% on Microvision. Woo! 125% profit on 3 calls on Riot. Woo! There you go, people. Printed. I love. All right. It might be time to say bye-bye to Lockheed. I think it's time. Yeah, we're done here. I'm going to get rid of this one. What's the spread on it? Oh, it's miserable. What do I need to get on this? Let me see if I can get 70. Hold on. Let me see if they'll fill this. Dang, buying it is so much easier than selling it. Because they'll just fill me on the buy. And they're not going to get me on the bid or on the sell side. They're not taking it. Dang, that sucks. All right, let me see. I'm going to put out another order on this one because this one I might be able to steal a little bit more. Yeah, this one will be easier to steal. Right here I can get, I think. Yeah, okay. I got out of one of them. I'm still waiting on the other one. It's just coming down. I don't like it. Spy's looking all right here. I still have the spy. I'm trying to think about the lot. Yeah, I don't want it anymore. I just don't want it. Let's see if they're going to fill me on it. Spy trying to move up here a little bit. I mean, the spy contracts are down slightly right now. Let's see what we get. Oxy is a beast today. Is Oxy running? Dude, Oxy is just on a moon mission over here. Just an absolute freaking moon mission. What's this doing right here? Yeah. All right. Time to go. That should get me. How are you not filling this? All right. Get me out of here. All right. I ditched the Lockheed. Took a little bit of an L on it. All right. I need the spy to not poop itself like this. 3 Oxy calls for 60%. There you go. $600 gain on Google. There you go, man. All right. Amy coming back up here. Spy making a little bit of a move. I love to see this. All right, Spy. Let's do our thing here, huh? All right. Where is Lucid? We want to see what Lucid's doing right now. Lucid looks like it could get a little spicy just on a little earnings run up, play the premium spike. I like that. AMC coming back up here a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, guys. Also, if you don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all your support recently. It's been really, really cool. Amy cooling off before the next lap. I think Spy's going to be doing that same thing here. So Lockheed was a little bit of a dud today. It's fine. I mean, we hit it massively on Friday. So that's kind of one of my issues. When I see things, I hit it once and then I'm just like I'll make a really good trade and then I'm like, all right, let's try to do it again. And then sometimes it just doesn't work out, but it's fine because the previous time was so big that it doesn't really matter. Up 50% on Neo. She's ripping. I mean, AMD's coming up a little bit. Where's Micron? Was Micron getting that cross? Not yet, man. Micron's a little bit weak today. All right, here comes the spy a little bit. I'm up 5%. Hold on. All right, folks. Spy's looking good. Amy trying to pop. Micron not doing it today. Where's Lucid now? Is anything else popping? Like a DraftKings or a SoFi? Is SoFi still getting up there? I don't want to chase Oxy because it could just get rugged. Get your Mara calls ready. All right, that's what I'll do. I mean, I got out of the Riot, but I'll take a Mara, you know? 1 minute. It's on 1 minute. All right, bouncing a little bit here on the 1 minute. That's not bad. Mara actually looks pretty good. It wants to do this 5-minute MACD cross down, so be careful of that. I mean, all of them are kind of doing this. So it looks like it wants to approach, then flattens out. Let's see what happens with this. DraftKings over 23? What the hell? How the hell did it do that? Damn. DraftKings with a move. With Mullen, careful, guys. We see a lot of these squeeze stocks and these good companies start to go up, and they go up as really fast, but they come down just as fast too. So be careful. MTTR. Cross. Nope, no crosses. I'm looking for a cross, people. Microvision. Are you guys just flexing on me right now? Like, just, oh, it's up. It's like, I'm not chasing stuff. Bitcoin just broke a new day high. Fuck. Interesting. All right, SPY, it's your time to shine. You're sleeping on Neo. There's no cross, bro. Look, no cross. Nothing. You're just chasing it here. Ford about to cross up. See? Now you're thinking, that's weak, though. First day, up 43% on Oxy, 72% on Microvision, 20% on BlackBerry, 9% on CEI. Luigi, add a freaking boy. UPST. It's a little expensive, but I have a little bit more money because of Friday. Nope. Amy popping. SPY 3-minute window cross any minute. What do you like, a 1348, or what are you talking about here? 3-minute? No. It looks good on the 3-minute here. Let's see. Smash the like, fam. See more butts. I appreciate that, buddy. Amy, huge candle. Amy's trying. Amy's trying here. She's trying to push up. She's a penny off the high. Come on, let's go. SPY looking good. Lucid. Lucid still looking good. Let's see. Aiden, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Hey, SV, just wanted to say I appreciate your healthy middle ground between comedic and informative content. I just bought 36 shares today of AMC. There you go, Aiden. Let's see. I feel like you don't like Mullen. Still waiting for that 20 on AMC. It's just, I'm not a big fan of these like penny stocks just because they're going to rip up, and I can almost guarantee you it's coming right back down at some point. Dude, fuck. All right. I swear to God, did I screw it up on Riot? No, it's coming back. Amy, new day highs. I mean, this is looking good over here. Where's Mara? I want to be a big boy and go with Mara this time. What are my SPY contracts at? What's tanking? Flat on the SPY. It will fall 100%. No, eventually it will. Like, that's the thing. Like with these stocks, it will come down. And I don't want anybody to be like, all right, Exxon. I don't want anybody to be like, it's going, like, you don't want a diamond. Damn it. Exxon looking. All right, maybe some Exxon. I actually like that. With Oxy and oil, it's got a 1348. I'm a little late on it. It's only up 0.5%. I actually not the worst fan of this right here. SPY looking good. Amy's approaching 19 over here, looking really solid. Whoa, SPY. Whoa, SPY. Whoa, SPY. Okay, now I'm up 20% on SPY. Nice. I like that. Amy looking really good over here. I'm just trying to find something, Bitcoin new highs. Fuck. Riot's probably bumping. No, Riot's not moving off of it yet. Interesting. But SPY might move off of it. What about Apple? I think Apple had a cross earlier. So right now, perfectly fine with my Riot sell. Perfect. Apple looks good here. Apple is above this little previous high. Amy looking good. SPY flickering around. AMD ripping. Fuck. No cross on it, though. That's the thing. Like, I want to cross. This is the thing. When I don't play crosses, I freak out and do weird stuff. How do you view as Lockheed as an investment? Are there any moral implications? Yes, 100%. I'm never going to buy shares of Lockheed Martin. Will I trade options on it if it goes to ripping? Yes, I will. I will 100% trade options on it. If that's where the money's going to go in the market, that's where I'm going to play it too. Have I ever played Microvision? I have not. No. 300% up on Oxy. Woo, baby. You guys like the oil plays, huh? You guys becoming oil barons, huh? Almost back above my dollar cost average. There you go. 1883 on Amy. Nice. What did Lockheed end up doing? I mean, it's all right. I just don't like it anymore today. What's up, SV? Earnings, baby. Yup. Stop asking that question. LMT is making no money off him playing LMT options. Exactly. You're going to be like, STV, you're a bad person. It's like, I'm literally just looking at where charts are moving. It doesn't matter. There could be a complete other company that's going to be moving like that. Let's see. Yeah, AMC and GME looking good over here. Let's see what SPY is going to end up doing. 20 Zillow just crossed up. Okay, I like that because Zillow can go nutty. Not it's see, this is what I look at in 1348. It's got this crap over here. So it's gonna get a little bit of resistance at some of these levels. Unless the SPY just goes on a freaking moon mission. NNDM. Literally doing nothing. Very average day. ATVI, how's this doing? Chilling. SPY chilling. It's kind of weird. AMC earnings day, HBO and Jon Stewart this week. I think there's something else this week too. I don't know. Maybe. All right. I'm only up 6-ish% on SPY. Ooh, now 8%. That must have been a little SPY pop here. Ooh, no. Just flickering around with the bid. Let's see. Incoming tax FOMO. Maybe. Are we still at 100% utilization? John, yes. Doesn't matter though. Like matters like zero. Because there's no reflection in the cost to borrow. So utilization by itself is like a useless thing. It needs forward on the 5-minute. It looked weak. It's about to cross. Honestly, that's not bad. If you get a little red-green move on forward, that's not the worst thing in the world. SPY coming up. Forward actually looks decent. I could do a little one on forward just to get my feet wet. On days like today, so here's the deal. On days like today, on Monday, I'm more inclined to play stuff like SPY. Just because there's an expiration date today, so you can hit bigger swings. Like if I trade a normal stock that expires on Friday, well, there's going to be more time to expiration. The contracts are going to be more expensive, and they may not appreciate as much and go crazy. So I like playing SPY more on the Mondays and Wednesdays, and other stuff on like Thursday, Friday. All right, what do we got here on the SPY? 10% up on the SPY. Forward moving down a little here. Do I want to chase something? Not really. Amy is not jealous of my new girlfriend, 1348. No, she's not. Amy respects it too. Amy loves the 1348. Let's see. Forward coming down. SPY still on the high over here. Russian-Ukraine peace talks to begin. I don't know how well those are going to go, but maybe Lockheed puts if it sells off. Nah, I'm just no more of this. NEO. Coming down a little here. SPY on the way up. I like this. SPY 5-minute 1348 cross any second. No. It crossed way back here. I don't know what you're looking at. Maybe you're looking at it on TradingView. Hold on. Let's see. I gotta send something to Gabe. All right, let's see. SPY making a move up here. Amy looking like she wants to go as well. All right, folks, hold on. What are the SPYs doing? They're up 10.5%. Not bad. I went a little bigger on it. Not too crazy, but like still right around how I'm supposed to be trading. Bitcoin new day high again. Where's Marathon? It's melting up here. Melting up on Mara. Put Bitcoin up. I can throw it up for a second. Bitcoin. Jesus. Bitcoin's just on a moon mission today. Like an actual moon mission. This could be good for the SPY. If Bitcoin keeps ripping like this, SPY could go absolutely nutty. 13% on the SPY. This could be fun. Up 40% on AMC $19 calls. There you go, Ray. Feed that gamma. Exxon looks like a low-key winner. Yeah, okay. I was looking at that a little while ago. It does look good. So I'm going to get a little bit of Exxon. That's going to be the one that I do, so I get a little oil exposure if it just starts melting up. Same contracts that I wanted before. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's fine right here. Bing bong. All right. Got some Exxon. Let's see what happens with the SPY here. And Exxon... Woohoo! This is a little bit of a chase, but it's more of like it crossed the 1348 over here. You're just getting it late. And oil is having a good day today. So let's see if that can continue. Hopefully it does. Bitcoin about to break 41K. Yeah. Do I use Webull to trade? Yes. You can't really avoid payment for order flow with options, man. All right. There goes Exxon. All right. Let's see here. Amy, chilling out a little bit. Let's effing go. Yup. All right, guys, I'm going to run to the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot. I'll be back in like 2 seconds. Alrighty, folks. What do we got going on here? Oh, is SPY being a little a-hole? Oh, no. SPY's coming up nicely. Ooh, baby. I like this. Russia and Ukraine peace talks end. Okay, so let's see what the news is going to be from them. So the Exxons are down. Why did I get Exxon? Okay, I guess I got to ride it out. I'll abide by the stop, but that was kind of silly. I mean, SPY could go crazy and push Exxon up, but that was kind of a silly move to do Exxon when the peace talks were going. Mara running. SPY running, man. Amy. Ooh. We're approaching. We are approaching, folks. Did I wash my hands? Yes. Stay in the bathroom. Dude, we always... I wasn't being good. No. I know, Ben. All right. I mean, Exxon coming back up. SPY flickering here. I mean, let's see what happens with these SPY contracts. They're doing all right. Exxon just slowly melting up here. Let's see if it can continue. If it doesn't, well, we'll just get out a little bit. All right. What do we got? Bring back chair. Amy Red SUV sits down. It's just a little candle. Do you want me to sing to her? Is that what we want over here? All right. Zelensky was installed. Okay, we're not doing that. Just single-handedly halted the war with his Exxon trade. Exactly. That's what I've done here. If you guys didn't know, when I buy a couple $100 worth of options, I stop wars. Let's see. All right. SPY moving. Amy, come on. Break that 19 and start running. Let it go. All right, people. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Here comes Exxon. There we go. Amy, SPY. That is not the correct direction, S&P. You silly goose. Disco moving. I'm not touching Disco. It's the expiration dates, they suck. You can look at Para. So Viacom. Little Viacom action. Yeah. Here comes Amy. Come on. Ooh, there comes. All right. What's SPY doing on the 1 minute? Testing the 13. Yep. Same thing. Let's see. Up 84% on SQ. Oh, Amy's coming. Amy's coming up. Come on. Come on. SPY, don't be an a-hole to me like that. All right. Amy's looking really good here. Micron about to cross. All right. I actually do like that. Yeah, but it's weak. This is a weak one. Amy is about to cross over 19. SPY's moving down a little bit here. Exxon. Exxon, just a slow mover. Just a very, very slow mover. What happened with peace talks? I mean, I don't know. I haven't gotten any news on it yet. It just said the peace talks ended. Skin? What is skin? No. All right. Flickering. Amy trying to get above 19. Max pain on AMC is 1750. Right to 20 today. Hold on. Is it really ripping right now? No. Needs to break 1780, then get up a little bit here. All right. Amy's looking like it wants to get above 19. SPY following Bitcoin as more and more people in Russia lose confidence in the ruble. Yeah. Already at 10% of my options, 10% on your options portfolio. There you go, Bjorn. That's what we love to see. All right, SPY just kind of holding here, not doing a whole lot. Exxon, how's this looking? Is it going to keep continuing on this moon mission? Doesn't look like it. All right, let's see. I do want to hit a nice gain on the SPY here. So Amy trying to move up here. Oxy is a runaway train. Is it still going? It's EXR, not Oxy. Little green candle. They're all getting little green candle or red candles right here. Let's see. Amy, 1893. 5% on your BlackBerry call. There you go. Come on, Amy. Get above that 19. It's close. It's really close. Yeah, Bitcoin is doing well. Feds Bostic, if data persists at elevated levels, I'm going to have to look at a 50 basis point move for March. Bro, Bostic, shut your mouth. I have SPY calls right now. I don't need your nonsense today. These people. I don't think the market cares. Let's see. SPY needs a little rest before 437. Kelly, that might be my strike. You might have me on that one, buddy. That might be where I went for. Oh, Exxon coming up a little here. Come on. 116% on my AMC calls. Whoo! There you go. I love to see that, man. All right. Yeah, guys. Also, if you do want to learn more about the strategy that we're using for this, make sure you wait. Is he live? That's not. No. What's he doing? Gabe. He's supposed to be doing it private. Hold on. Let's see. Whoa, Mojax. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Thanks, STV. Quit my engineering job last year to take care of the mother and due to management effery. And because of AMC, moved to Texas and Massachusetts. Today, I make money while talking to her in her appointments. Yeah, baby, 1348. Woo! There you go, buddy. Love to see that. All right, people. Yeah. Also, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's do this thing. Alrighty. Yeah, Mojax, thank you so much for that generous super, man. You didn't have to do that. I really appreciate that. Let's see here. All right, Spy coming down a little here. Exxon coming down. That's not good. All right, ditch an Exxon. Yeah, no more Exxon. I don't like it. So I'm gonna see what happens with Spy here on the 1 minute. It's probably coming down to the 48. Yeah. So let's see what happens with this 48 EMA. I mean, the contracts are very slightly red right now. I do want to hold them though because I think the Spy still could have some movement to the upside today. So we'll see what happens with this. Let's see here. Amy 1883. Let's see here. Guys, also make sure you check out the strategy for the Discord too. I know I say it a lot, but I mean, you just see all the people in here just crushing it with that strategy. And I want to see you guys make money. At bare minimum, learn the strategy. Oxy just tanked. Like how bad? Like rug pull tank or like little red candle? Whoa. Well, that sucks. That's not good. All right. Back up 10% on the Spy. Let's see here. All righty, folks. That's wild. All right. Amy coming back up a little bit here. Spy moving. Ooh, here we go. Come on. Dude, I've looked for the strategy and cannot find it. Help. Ken Griffin's secret account. We've literally made it as easy as possible for you to do it. You sign up to the free part of the Discord and you click the thing that says mandatory watch. And those are the videos. They're all there. Oxy helped Spy. I guess so. I mean, that's fine with me. Let's see. Was able to get out of Oxy with 80% gain. Should have bought puts. I mean, I don't know why we'd buy puts on Oxy. Like, it doesn't make any sense. What's up? I mean, Oxy's just, it's hovering at the 13 EMA right here, which is not bad. But Gabe's supposed to be live for the Discord members. I don't know what he's doing. We got to figure that out. Let's see. 436.20. Ooh, Spy's coming up here. Bing bong. Let's see. You dumped Exxon and now it gets green candles. I dumped Exxon. I just don't like it. I mean, it's just being weird. Like, yeah, I mean, whatever. I still have a bunch of settled cash to use today, so we'll figure out something towards the end of the day. Lockheed's coming back. Don't you tempt me. It's getting a little candle here. We'll see. Lucid. This beast. Alrighty, people. Why is Ung red today? Natural gas just isn't moving a whole lot, I don't think. Lucy coming down. Spy holding here. Looking good, man. I mean, the 5-minute MACD is still holding strong. All right. How's Ford? See, this is why I didn't take the Ford cross. I was like, it's weak. It comes up, comes right back down. So, I mean, maybe now you could start to try and get in. I'm not the biggest fan of the Ford cross right here. Spy could just start breaking out here in a little bit. So keep a close eye on the Spy. I mean, I'm up about 8% on these contracts. I might add another one just for fun, especially if it comes down. If it goes a little bit into the red, I'll add another one. But because I just like the Spy above this level and just kind of waiting to see if the buyers and sell, like, well, who's going to win? AMC 1882 over here. LMT breaking out. Yeah, let's look here. All right, not doing anything on it yet. Alrighty, folks. Chat, like the video for the kid. Captain Coco, appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. All right, so let's see what's going on with this SPY thing right now. It's up 1%. Chilling. All right. RTX about to cross. All right, maybe that one's a good one that we want to do. Not really. It's not really getting a whole lot of momentum. Let's see here. Alrighty, people. Yeah, for everybody filtering in too, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. If you guys are enjoying the stream today, it just makes it easier for you guys to come back. So make sure you're engaging with the content. Amy's having a great day. Crushed it on the riots. The Lockheed's, the SPYs are up a little bit right here. Nothing too crazy though. Bank of Russia reduces rates on standing loans for 2 to 90 days. Interesting. Ooh. My SPY position's flickering over here. Very interesting. Let's see what I'm going to do here. All right. Push AMC. I mean, she's trying. SPY's trying to move back up too. If we get a red-green move on the SPY today, I mean, I need another dollar on the SPY. I feel like that's not too much to ask for. Well, I would end up needing a lot more than that, but like that's the first step for contracts to go in the money. Roblox crossing the chart looking good. Roblox does have potential to go nutty a little bit sometimes. I mean, it crossed a little bit back here. You kind of missed it. Let's see. Sup, guys? Just signing on. What's happening with Amy? She's having a good day, man. Little earnings run up over here. I'm having some fun with her. 1886 looking decent. All right, let's see. Yeah, Roblox looking good. SPY trying to move up here. Where's I mean, Roblox is already up 3%. And if the SPY is going to do what I want it to do, then Roblox is going to go nutty. Ukraine news? What's the news? What's the news? I didn't see it pop. Ukrainian President Zelensky says he has signed a request to join the European Union. Whoa. Is that like allowed? Is he allowed to do that? Ukrainian president says he has signed a request to join the European Union. I don't know what that's gonna do. What's that gonna do to oil? Like what is? I don't know the reaction off of this. Yeah, oil sold off here. SPY down a little. Where's LMT? If Lockheed pops off that, it's bad for war. Nah, I mean a little bit. Nothing too crazy though. This is weird. Well, hold on. More. We're getting more. U.S. says no reason to change nuclear alert levels at this time after Putin directive. White House. Okay. Amy coming up here trying to get above 19. That's not good. Oh boy. That's going to make Russia. Oh boy. That's not good. See, I'm just trying to see how things are reacting here. Like I have Lockheed over here and then I have the SPY. So like the SPY is just kind of holding. Amy popped up a little bit. Movie theaters like it, I guess. GameStop's holding. I mean, you got to wait a couple of minutes for the news to spread across. I think you're right that like that will piss Russia off. All the news you're reading isn't breaking. Well, it got tweeted out by Walter Bloomberg and Fast Stock News just now. Death Touch, thank you so much for the super. I just sold my LI calls for 450%. Thanks for the option strategy. Dude, anytime. I'm glad you're printed. All right, SPY is ripping right now. There we go. There we go on the SPY contracts. 26% in the green right now. Those are pretty good. Woo! All right, printing over here. Oh, Amy just hit 1901 on AMC over here. Down new highs. Yep. I see that news is on Webull from an hour ago. Then why the hell is that just coming out now? Those guys are usually quick. Interesting. I don't know what happened just now, but the SPY, whatever it was, the SPY liked it. Amy is at 19 over here, looking good. Looking good over here, people. Let's see if this can hold and start moving back up. Let's see. Alrighty, people. Yeah. Also, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all your support recently. Helps out a whole lot. Ukraine joining the EU is a good thing, but Putin will surely be pissed off. Right. Which I feel like is a bad thing. Like that's kind of the all right. SPY's ripping here. I like this. 27% on SPY calls right now. Having some fun. Damn. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna need these SPY calls to freaking print for me. And then where's Roblox? Is Roblox getting a move here? Dude, literally, if I bought those Roblox calls like when I wanted to, I would have had a giant green candle in my favor. My Russia stocks just started popping. Interesting. Thoughts on Lucid? Well, Lucid's probably getting a little action here. No, nothing too crazy yet. 5-minute MACD is about to cross down. SPY's actually looking really good here. SPY on the way to a red to green rip. All right. 57% on SPY calls. Damn, son. What are mine up now? 19, 20%. I mean, that's not terrible. Not bad. Amy, 1903 looking good. GME 125.18. I mean, we're looking strong here, people. We are looking freaking strong. All right. Maybe I'll add a contract soon if we see a little bit of a sell-off. 15% on American Airlines calls. There you go. Bob across up. Review Dark went live on YouTube instead of the Discord chat. Well, no, what he was going to do is we were going to do a private live stream for the Discord. And then he just accidentally clicked the go live and it wasn't unlisted, I think. So we'll figure it out. Let's see. All right, people. Guys, make sure you hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. And make sure you're checking out the Discord. The SPY 1348 right now is about to print. Unless they like rug pull me, which would like really suck. 30% on SPY calls now. Thank you very much. Amy popping up. What expiration date am I using for the SPY? Today. 110% on Riot calls. There you go. Poor man SPY calls is UVXY puts. Yeah, but you also have more time on them, which kind of sucks. You won't get as big of a move. That's why, I mean, the SPY contracts that I have cost $143 each. Amy, 1903. Lucid doing all right over here. I like the SPY today on the up. So let's see what happens with it. Disca gonna go boom. Okay, bro. I'll pull up Disca, but I don't know. Amy, 1906. Riot trying to break that high. You people are just tempting me. If Riot has a little day high breakout, I'll get some more. AMC boom candles. But I mean, they're decent. 1905 looking all right over here. SPY flickering. Ford about to pop. What do I think about Oxy right now? No, I'm not touching a lot of oil stuff. What's Exxon at right now? Because I was looking at Exxon and I was like, yeah. So sold off hard. I'm glad I got out of that. I cut that real early too. Like really early on Exxon. Mullen, is it going? Yeah, a little red candle here, but it's up 81% today. That's pretty solid. Golden Oil are selling off. Yeah, I mean, SPY's coming up here. Where's stuff like Lockheed? I don't like it anymore. I mean, see, that's kind of, if it breaks this, you could start to get in there. SPY looking good. Let's see what we get. Ankles today. We close above 20. There we go. What do you mean, you people? You know exactly what I mean by when I say you people. All right. Russia says the U.S. is not doing enough to secure our diplomatic missions. The fuck? What diplomatic mission? All right. SPY calls up 31% now. Not bad. Let's see. Ethan, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Jesus, you're on the wrong side of history when Switzerland sanctions you. Yeah, that is not good. HD cross up. Ethan, thank you so much for that super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Home Depot did cross. All right, SPY looking good. Amy looking all right. I'm not touching the Home Depot. Let's see. Come on, Amy. 7.7% up today and still climbing. All right. I might get a strike higher on the SPY. Not yet. I need a little bit of a cool. I mean, how much do I have on the SPY right now? It's not bad. Not bad. There we go. Disco. There you go. Lucid ripping. Overstock crossed over the 4 hour. Oh, hold on. HD. Where's Ford for a second? And then what were you saying? Micron crossed up. All right, man. I mean, Micron was the lagger tech. SPY pumping, dude. There we go. 35% on SPY. Bing bong. Market makers are wrong. All right, I'm going to hold these for a while, see what we can get. There goes Micron. It's got to cross. I need it above the high here because this just sucks. This is no bueno. I don't want to get shark finned and faked out on Micron. All right, people. Yeah, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Russia head fake. I don't know, man. It's looking good across the whole market. All right, 33% on SPY. Amy, 1903, looking solid. New day high on GME. Yep, coming up here. SPY moving. Micron trying. What else can we get? Think. Overstock boom. Dude, it's just still ripping. It's still SPY new highs. There you go. Amy 20 push. It's pushing. Overstock looking good. SPY's up here making new highs. 36% on SPY calls. There you go. AT&T cross and boom candle. Oh shit. T is an interesting one. That's trying. T is actually really trying hard here. That's actually not bad. Bing bong. Putin's wrong. Yeah. Pretty much, man. All right. SPY flickering here. Honestly, what can we get on AT&T? Because Verizon was that one that you guys literally killed. No, I don't trade the SPX. I don't trade the actual index. Bitcoin booming. Riot. Era. Not really doing it over here. Interesting. AMC is moving. I mean, it's coming up a little. It's at 1909 over here, making new highs. All right, SPY little cool off right here. Hold on, let me take a look at SPY on this thing. Looks good, man. I mean, I'm holding it. I'm gonna hold the nuts out of this thing. All right, maybe if we get another red, I'll buy more. When was the last Ortex? I can do it right now for you. Let's see here, folks. Still busted up. Oh, came back to life. Okay, so 20.35% estimated short interest. That's really all you need to know here. SPY moving back up. Riot flickering. Square again. There you go. You're up 40% on your AMC calls. Woo! There you go, people. SPY 20 win it. Makes it look like a runner. Yeah. Next round of Ukraine-Russia peace talks to be held in the coming days. Okay. Whoa. 44% on SPY calls right now. Bing bong. Do we expect good earnings for Lucid? I don't care what their earnings are. I'm probably going to play it both ways. SPY going green. It needs 22 cents. This is looking good over here. So what did I want earlier? Lucid is what I wanted. It's not doing it. Where's Ford? Home Depot. Those are the two. Ford and Home Depot. Ford, nothing. HD, nothing. Let me see. XL Fleet expects to beat earnings. Okay, interesting. SPY calls are paying my rent today. Woo! There you go, buddy. All right, SPY's being a little flickery over here. So let's see what we want. AT&T. Okay, that might be the one. That might be the one. It's not moving here. It's just literally flickering between 72 and 71. 2372 and 2371. So let's see what we get. 52% on Amy calls. There you go. Eric B. Good to see you in here, buddy. Thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. Amy crossed on the 4 hour. Now we just need 1995 to mount the 200 EMA up 100% on 1650 calls for 311. Eric B. At a freaking boy. Love to see that, dude. All right. I'm up 38%, 37% on SPY calls. Flickering here. AT&T, not Amy coming up, though. Amy's looking really good. BBIG is going to pop. Maybe. AT&T there. It's trying. It's trying, man. All right. Let's see here. Yeah. Also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the SPY's going to move it up here. Bing bong. We're printing. 45%. Thank you very much. All right. Let's see what we can get on this SPY play. Here comes AT&T. So I'm going to get a little AT&T for a red to green move, like tiny. For like the week. And I might honestly hold this overnight. All right. Filled it over here. It's looking decent. These SPY calls are probably going nutty. Yeah, 47% on SPY calls right now. Thank you very much. AT&T is now getting that little pop that we wanted to see. I'm up 2.5% already. So let's see. Ankles incoming. T is very cheap. Yeah, you can play T. It just doesn't move very quickly. All right, let's see. SPY looking good. 55% on SPY calls. Bing bong. Man, I know when you entered the SPY call, right on this candle. Or no, this candle. It was this candle right here. Breakout, comes up. All right, let's see. 50%, 51%. Here we go, people. Tesla. Fun is having fun. There you go. 96% gains on $19 call. There you go. All right, let's see. SPY flickery. AT&T coming back down. Let's see what happens with this. SPY just doing its thing. Check Mullen. I already checked it. It was up like 80%, I think. I'm not chasing it. 45% on SPY calls. There you go, bud. I mean, I'm up 45% on SPY calls now, too. Let's see. Alrighty, folks. Rather play Apple over T-Mobile. I mean, it's going to be more liquid. 96% on AMC, $19 call. There you go. There you go. AMC having an amazing day. Yeah, 1919 over here having an awesome day. Let's see, folks. All right. So SPY calls are up 50%. Let me see. Amy looking good. All right, people. It is 11:30. So here's what we're going to do. That's going to be it for the morning stream. We're going to be coming on a little bit earlier in the afternoon. We're going to be coming on at 1. So make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream on your way out. I'm going to be hopping over between Gabe and TMI's channels for a little bit. Again, if you guys want to join the premium of the Discord, make sure you guys check that out. You get all the alerts, all the private live streams, and you get to talk to us all the time. We're just kind of in there messing around, trying to help people make sure they know what they're doing. And then you can make trades like this, 53% SPY calls, and just easily hold these with 1348. So again, thank you guys so much for being positive. Thank you guys so much for filtering in, hitting that like button, just being positive. Shout out to all the mods, the members, everybody that's just having fun every day. Other than that, guys, I will see you guys in a little while, and peace.